What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome, welcome. The keys, baby, the keys. I got the keys. What up, what up? Good morning, everyone. Welcome in, welcome in. What up, Louis G? George VDM is in the house. What up, George? What up, Gotta Trade? What up, LeGrand? Storm Player's in the building. What up, Storm Player? Oh, yeah. True crime and horror stories. Wow. What up, Josh? What's good, everyone? What up, Kelvin? What's good? What's good? What's good, AJ? What up, Grid? What's good? What's good? How we feeling today, chat? Hold on one sec. Man, I knew this monitor felt so far back. Wow. That's much better. What's good? What's good? How we doing? Crypto Madden in the building. What up, Crypto Madden? Let me send the Zoom link out here. Yeah, who else we got here today? AB Mike is in the house. What up, AB Mike? What's good? What's good? What up, Dennis Hood's in the building. TTW in the building. Hey, Gigi. Hope you're feeling better. Hope you're feeling better, Gigi. Dean in the building. What up, Dean? I'm doing fantastic, man. That guy TK is in the house. What up, TK? What up, Jimmy Williams? What up, Purpose? Rich and Royals in the building. Yeah. What up, Wags? Buzz Blab in the building. Buzz Blab, man. Shout out to Buzz Blab. What up, Luke? What's good? What's good? Lestef. Alexandros in the building. The big dog. Oh, speaking of big dogs, LeGrand's in the house. What up, Xander? I see you, bro. I see you. Man, I can't find my wedding ring. Yeah, I can't find the wedding ring. All right. Yo, chat. I don't think I've ever charged my headset for like a couple hours. Dude, this thing is on a whole nother level now. I was literally just screaming. Oh my god. Couldn't even hear myself. Z Gamer's in the building. What up, Z Gamer? What's good, everyone? What up, Perez? Yo, no lie. These are insane. Wow. Damn. Sheesh. All right. I think we are good to go. I got everything set up here, and yeah, I think we're ready to rock and roll. So, what's good, everyone? Welcome in. Welcome in. CPI day. How you guys feeling today? Me cracking excess. Damn, yo, chat, no lie. I was just screaming at the top of my lungs, I think. Yeah, music was so loud I couldn't even hear myself. I literally woke up the fan. Hey, so how's everyone feeling? How's the music? Music good? Dennis Hood's in the building. What up, Dennis Hood? All right, let's get started. Zoom link is out in, hold on, 3, 2. All right, Zoom link is out. We are good to go. Got my tools. Let me move them over here. Let me grab my Zoom chat. What up, DT Gamer? Grind time Mufasa. What's good, bro? What's good? What's good? Wow. Sheesh. TK, how's the music? Music good? What up, Sam? What up, Rob Traits? Music's good. All right, cool. All right, let's get started here today. Good morning, Travis. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. We are going to get started. It is a new day. It is the 13th here of February. It's another day to conduct business. We're going to have fun here today. It's going to be a great time. We're going to take a look, see what we got going on in the news. A lot of red folders here, and then we are going to get the day started. So let's pray, and then we're going to rock and roll here. So let's do it. Father in heaven, I pray for your people out there listening, Lord. I pray that you would bless them. I thank you for giving them the opportunity to be here, to hear from you speaking through me, Lord. I pray that it would just be more of you, less of me, like John the Baptist said, and that you would just take over, Lord, that this would be your platform, and that you would do great things, Lord, that you would prosper people in the way they should be prospered, and that you would bless them and everyone in their home, Lord. So we thank you for it, and we give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Morning, Joseph. Yeah. All right, cool. We are good. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on here today, chat. So we got CPI coming in today at 8:30. We got plenty of time here. It is it's not even 7:30 yet, so plenty of time. Price should just consolidate until we get up to CPI here today. It looks like they're not expecting much of a change on the month to month, but on the yearly, it looks like they're expecting some sort of a change here, looking at lower numbers. So we're gonna see how all that comes out here at 8:30. Gonna see how price does react. And we're going to go from there, right? It's another day. It's another day to follow the plan, just to be disciplined, to keep it professional, and just stay steadfast, right? And that's what we're going to do. We're going to have a ball today. We're going to have a lot of fun, and we're gonna see what the markets have to offer. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis and see what we got going on here since yesterday. If you guys can like the stream as you settle on in here, that'd be great. Friendly reminder to give the stream a like. What up, Rocky? Yeah. Well, yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, let's go ahead and do a breakdown. Casino day, that's right, PM Magnifico. Casino day. How many of you guys got buy stops, sell stops? Nightbot's in the building. What up, Arnie? Yeah, let's do a breakdown. Let's do a top-down analysis here real quick. So let's go ahead and take a look at gold here. Let's take a look at the monthly candles, right? So taking a look at the monthly, as you guys know, we have closed bearish last month, right? With this bearish candle here. We also did create this resistance. Now, we still are above the previous highs here, right? This zone right here. This is an important zone here, because as long as we remain above it, we are in this range, right? And if we're in this range, that means we're still pretty bullish, right? We can come down here, create a support for price to continue moving up to the top of the range. So we want to see what price does this month. We did create a top wick. We are, flipping bearish again here. We did have this really, really solid rejection also from these all-time highs here, and then creating that resistance. So we want to really pay attention to what price is going to do here right around 2000, and see if we're going to end up staying in the range and just retesting the highs, or if we're going to actually close below, looking something like this, right? Then that's when you may start to see the continued drive down here. It is February. We still need that yearly bottom wick as well. So there could be another month or two where you see bearish volume here out of gold, but in the world, it's not looking that way, right? With some of the fundamentals that are happening, some of the things that are going on. So we could potentially see, a move more so like this, right? And then price forms a support and closes bullish here. Yeah. Hold on one sec, Chuck. All right, actually, apparently I didn't even wake the baby up. They can't even hear me. They can't even hear me out there. All right, let's go ahead. Oh yeah, so anyway, so talking about this monthly candle, right? If we happen to remain above here, this is what you could potentially see, right? So you got February, March, April, and then as the year continues going on, after making that yearly bottom wick, you got May and all that stuff filling the wick, and then I'm sure obviously a little pullback again as we continue to make these higher highs. My bad, this is pretty messy. Higher highs and higher lows. All right, so that's kind of like the idea on the monthly chart. Again, if we do close below there though, then you should see a move down. But that doesn't have much to do with what we're going to be talking about here today. But we do want to keep those higher time frames in mind, right? We want to understand the idea of price and why things are doing what they're doing. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Weekly's been consolidating just a bit here, right? Looking at the weekly, let me just grab this one. You have a support, right? Pretty strong support right here. you have this resistance right here at towards like 2080, and this is the range that we're currently trading in. So we've attempted to break down a few times, right? Couldn't really do it, especially here and here. We attempted to retest this wick up here, but never able to do it. One last shot here, then we closed bearish, right? So we closed bearish right near support. It's more so looking like price is just wanting to figure out its footing to move up here. So we did break the lows on the weekly candle, but didn't do much. Yeah, we didn't do much here. But again, we do have CPI today as well. So now that we've come up to make this top wick, right, now there could be an opportunity for price to begin to drive down here. So we're going to see what happens there. You have a support level right here. That's where you want to either close below or begin to reject, right? If you close below, you now enter this range. Range is pretty nice, coming down towards 1940. I think we talked about that yesterday, and that's what you could potentially see. So if not, we may push up, consolidate, and try and fill that wick or something next week. But let's go ahead and take a look at the daily and see what we got going on here today. So daily time frame, you do have, let me just move this. You do have a support that has been formed right here. You also have resistance right here, right? So this is the range that we're currently in. Price came down, created support, created a new resistance, moved down, retested support, rejected. The next candle came out and did the real work. And then yesterday's candle closed bearish again. So we have this bearish move down off of 2035 here, but it's beginning to slow up as we approach this level right here, right? This range right in here. See how all these daily candles have rejected that area, right? You got one here, you've got two of them here, you've got another here. This one tried to attempt it. This one was a fake out, rejection, support. So same thing here, and now you're kind of seeing something like that happen again. So if we do reject this zone right here, we should move back up towards 36 and even up here towards like 40, 45. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. We are pretty bullish based off of like breaking this high here. Although we did close bearish, we're at support. But again, today is CPI, so anything can happen here today. So let's go ahead and mark off, take a look at what the 4 hour is doing. So 4 hour has attempted to move down, but nothing, right? And then it's just been very slow volume, right? Because we have CPI coming, and then boom, you see a big move here, candle closing no top wick. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the hour real quick. So just really nothing, right? A lot of dead bullish candles here. So you did have a resistance though right here, right? So let's take a look at where we're at. As long as we're above here, you have 37 in sight. So let's go see what this looks like. Yeah, so sells for me would probably be below 24 here today, and then buys are gonna be above 28. Yeah, if you close above 28, you should have no problem filling this wick, especially with news coming in, and then you have a nice clean move now coming down here as well. So probably gonna stay out of this range here, but anything below, anything above looks pretty clean. We've already broken the highs, so yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for news though regardless here today. But yeah, these are the ranges that I want to trade in, so gonna pretty much stay out of this zone. But anything above, we should be good to fill that wick. Anything below 24, you've got clean move coming down, and then you've got even further push, right? If this daily candle wants to rip down today. So that is my story here for gold. Yeah, that's the story. I'm sticking to it. Gonna look for buys above 28,971 here, and I might be pulling my CPI move today. Only the real ones know about this move. Who knows? Because let's face it, it happens almost every CPI. Nah, not 34 lots. All right, cool. So yes, that's what I got going on here for gold. Gonna stay away from these ranges here. Not gonna really touch anything in this current range that price is in. That's going to be the red zone here for me, but anything above is going to be pretty clean to go ahead and fill that wick, and anything below here looks pretty solid on the way down. So pretty small red zone here, pretty big green zones. Those are typically what I like to see. And yeah, that's the day. That's the day, friends. Got it? Who's got buy stops and sell stops? That's not what I'll be doing, but it's setting up perfectly today. So I don't want to say every CPI this happens, but a lot. So there's some signs that are happening today, right? You see this wick to the left? This wick, what will happen too, because CPI isn't like a, so CPI is not like a move that happens like the, let me get this one. It's not a move that goes down like, you know, oh my God, what's going on here? Give me the rectangle. It's not like this, you know, it doesn't happen like this and, you know, kind of begins to trickle down. Like CPI happens, it's like 1 minute it looks like this and then it's like boom, right? So a lot of times, let me not do it that drastic, more like boom, right? So a lot of times what's going to happen is when you have that wick to the left that the arrow's pointing at, right? All of a sudden this will wick down and flip and very quickly go ahead and fill that wick. And then a lot of times reject, but it can continue up too. But a lot of times once that candle flips and breaks these highs here, that's your entry to go ahead and, you know, clip up like, you know, some partials right in this area here. So anywhere within this whole area. So yeah, we'll see if we can get that today. Yeah, the only issue with that trade is that it's in a way a news event, right? So there is no stop loss. There is no stop loss. What strategy? There is none. But we've pulled it off a few times here with purpose too. So we'll see. It usually only happens, like I said, when you have like a wick like this. So we'll see if that goes down today. The account is the stop loss. Now you're talking like a real trader. We're traders. Our entire account is our stop loss.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy. There's no strategy. I have no strategy.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. So you got a celery play within the range here on the 30-minute time frame, but no bueno here from me. Pre-news. Nobody moved. Nobody get clipped. You guys seen have you guys seen Huddy and them dudes? Huddy and Kellogg and all them guys? They're we're traders. We make a doctor's salary in the morning and give it back by the end of the evening. You guys even know Huddy and Kellogg and them guys or no? I don't think you guys know who they are. Yeah, gotta trade knows. Gotta trade knows. Raja's live. Oh, good. We'll take a look at his buy stops and sell. I'm sure he's doing buy stop, sell stops later. Yeah, we'll take a look. We'll pop them up here on the live stream. Bet the house. Yeah, those guys are solid. See, those are the guys that I like watching, you know. Those are the guys that I like to study. Huddy, Kellogg, a lot of those dudes that are on the B Trader podcast. I really like listening to those guys. They trade. I like listening to stock traders, future traders. I try not to get any of my mental training from the Forex side. I try and keep that with excuse me, with the professionals at like these big like institutions. They come out of these, you know, careers of trading. I love listening to those guys. You listen to an FX trader, that dude just yapping, just cursing. Yeah, I got my bar. I thought you were talking about cereal. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen here, and then we'll take a look at Nas too. So GJ, you created support now, right? So you created support. You also closed above the range. There's extremely clean traffic to the left, if I could remember right. Yeah. So there's a really nice move ahead of us here on pound yen. I will be interested in taking buys here on GJ. Let's go ahead. So you did get a closure above. So now that you got that closure above, now you can look towards seeing if the daily can come up and retest 1990-500 here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily's moving along really good. We do have this celery play here, so we are above this overall consolidation range. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour needs a bit of a pullback, it looks like, though. So yeah, I like this. I like GJ today, man. It looks really good. So you got support here, you got resistance here. If you can get like a fake out, right? Let me get rid. If you can get a fake out down here, what this will do is hold on. Yeah, we need to see a fake out, right? If we can see a fake out down here on the 30-minute time frame, look, there's really clean move coming down. This is like perfect setup for a fake out, like a retail trader's dream. Oh my God, closure below, clean traffic to the left. This is going to be amazing, right? And then this is where the fake out can happen here today. So would really love to see something like this, right? A nice move down and then candles moving back up into this range. If we can do that, then we have a really nice move ahead of us here on pound yen for the daily to get going here today. So that is what I'm going to look for. It's pretty simple here today. We just need like a little fake out or something here. That'd be perfect. So just stay out of this range here on GJ, and then anything, let me take a look to the left here above. Where we at? Where the heck are we, GJ? Way back. Wow. Holy. Nah. Oh my God. What's happening here? Way back. Yeah. Either way, I know we got clean candles moving up towards this zone right here. Right around here. So you got a nice clean move going up there today. Yeah. We haven't been up here in a little bit. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. But overall, GJ is actually pretty clean here today. So we're gonna look to take range 2 sells below here and clean buys above here. Yeah, in the midst of looking for a range 2 sell, maybe we can get the fake out. Yeah, so we'll leave it there for GJ. Obviously, this is what we're going to target here for if we do get range 2 sells. So you got a nice clean move coming down and nice clean move going up. We're just not going to jump on it right off the breakout, or I'm not going to jump on it right off of the breakout here today. All right, perfect. So that's GJ, and then let's go ahead and take a look at Nas, and then we will hang out and wait for CPI. So yes, perfect. So we did close bearish here on Nas yesterday. Finally, damn, price is moving down quickly here too today. So 4 hour is just driving right now down towards the support here. We don't have a top wick on the 4 hour candle. The daily's obviously attempting to fill that wick right there. So 4 hours driving down. No top wick on the 4 hour. Let's see, 1 hour candles are just moving down here. So all we need to do on Nas here is just wait for a pullback, right? If we can get some sort of a new resistance formed up here, then we will sell off of that resistance. There's a lot of selling pressure on these candles here. You have small top wick there, so I would expect the next candle to give you a decently decent sized top wick, you know, somewhere back up towards these ranges here, retesting these zones like right here. That would make total sense, breaking 1 hour highs, 30-minute highs, all that good stuff. So yeah, just gonna wait for a pullback on Nas and on the 1 hour, and then yeah, probably gonna wait for the new 4 hour candle at CPI come out, and then take potential positions later on this morning. Yeah, I don't know about before news, but yeah, you got another support right here, and that is where we were bouncing off of. So let's see if we can get resistance somewhere up in these areas here, and then we could look towards selling Nasdaq back off. So yeah, that's gonna be Nas for me. So yeah, perfect. All right, cool. That's it. That is it, man. That is all three. GJ looking money. Why does GJ do this to us? Like, why? Like, for what? Damn. Why is GJ doing this to us, chat? What up, Purpose? What up, Chola? Oh, yes, sir. Amazing day. AB Mike. AB Mike is in the house. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you could join our free Discord. We are potentially giving away a $50,000 challenge account today. So, or an evaluation account. So, who wants to dub on that 50K challenge account here today? Because if we get 1,000 likes, that is what we are doing here today, my friends. Yep. We are doing it. But I mean, I'm just waiting on y'all. Yeah. We're trying to change some lie, or at least give someone the shot. You know, just give them a shot. I'm grateful someone gave me a shot, man. I'm grateful someone said, you know what, I could believe in that kid. So we believe in you guys, you know. We want to see you win. So yeah, if we get to 1,000 likes today, we are doing a 50K giveaway. Yeah. We need Sam. Oh yeah, that does sound terrible, PM Magnifico. Not the shot. I'm talking about a shot at winning, a shot at changing their life, man. We ain't giving no one else shots. No one's getting shots. Shots. Yeah, man, I'm grateful. Grateful someone gave me a shot. Grateful someone believed in me before I was able to believe in myself. And you know, I really feel that way about a lot of you guys. Like, a lot of you guys are right there. You're right on it. I could just see it. You know, I could just see it and hear it from the way you talk, the way you perform. And you're right on it. You just need that opportunity, you know. And I believe in you guys, you know. And look, my mentor, he was someone that I was able to believe in before I could really believe in myself. And that's what I always want to be for the people that I'm around, right? And the people that I'm working with on a daily basis. So we really do believe in you, right? We really do believe that anyone could do it. It's just, it's tough, you know. It really does take grit. It really does take a strong mentality and perseverance and steadfastness, right, to get the job done. Not just in trading, but in being a champion, right? And being a champion in general, right? And doing life the right way. It takes a lot, right? It takes a lot of guts, but we believe that you guys have them guts. I believe that you guys have it within you. Otherwise, why would you be here? right? You wouldn't be here if you didn't believe you could actually pull this thing off and do it. And you can, man. You can. Very few make it, right? Many are called, but few are chosen, man. And that's just how it is. And very few make it, but there's no one stopping you from being a part of the few, man. So you can do it, man. You could do it. Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Sandman? Yeah. Yep. All you guys have a story. That's the coolest part about it, is each and every one of you guys have a story, and that story needs to be told, right? That story needs to be shared, because if you never make anything out of your story, then no one cares to hear it. No one cares about the guy who just gave up, right? His story won't be told. So everything that you've already been through, all the sacrifices you've already made, they don't matter unless you actually go get the title, right? And once you do, you're able to share that story, right? Every story is very, very similar. It's dream, struggle, victory, right? Every single story. And you're going to go through seasons of life, right? One season you could be at the very bottom. The next season you could be at the very top, right? And then the season after that, you can go back towards the bottom, right? And it's all about creating these higher highs and these higher lows in life, in life. And that's how it goes, man. That's how it goes. So yeah, we believe in you guys. Understand it's a process. Enjoy the process. There really is no destination at the end of the day. So you just got to enjoy the journey. Yeah. Yep. Yes, sir. You are the main character. So yeah, CPI should be good today here. I'm really looking at GJ too, man. GJ looks good today. You've made that swing low. Yeah, some of you guys are at the bottom too. Like the bottom, like you got nothing to lose at that point, right? Like everyone fears what they will lose if they actually go after it, their job or their current lifestyle or whatever it is. But to be honest, none of that stuff matters anyway, right? What are you gonna do? You can remain average, or you can just actually go out and give it a shot. Yeah, we got to change the record here. So 119 and 42. And then 14 BE. And then we got to switch this monthly here. See if we can get some green on the board here today for CPI. And then do we have to change one more? Yeah, the top one, right? Yearly. 2B. All right, perfect. Hey, Anilo's in the building. What up, Anilo? Where that warm, fresh bread at, G? Yo, for some reason, I just think Anilo is Andrew Tate. I don't know. Maybe it has something to do with his profile picture. CPI incoming. Yes. Yep. Yep. Gold trying to create support here. Is it trying to hint something to us? I'm sure Sam Capital will be here at some point today. Sam Capital. Let's see. What is the target, sir? Targets are 2037 if we're looking at buys here today, and honestly targets for the daily are right around 2013 here. Yep, got a nice move. Your daily low is right here. This wick breaks right here, close below that support, goner. Should fill the previous candle wick. This is the previous candle wick right here. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, you do have a clean move down. You did break the highs there, so you may have like this daily pack runner. Right, this daily pack. Trying to see if it can continue driving, but it's been unsuccessful for the last hour or two. What up, Purpose? What's goody? We're gonna see if we're gonna get our boy Raj up here. Check out his buy stops, sell stops. Let's go to his page. You guys said he was live, right? Let's check him out. Let's see. Oh yeah, he's got support here. 2026 it looks like. Yeah, I'm staying out of this. Let's give him a like. See, first thing I do is I give him a like. How you doing? I'm doing fantastic, man. Go give Raja a like. Give him a like. If our likes look like his today, we do a 50K evaluation account giveaway. Yeah. Let's go say hello. Hi, Roger. See what he's saying.
A month from prop firm, since 5 months. I want to move to Dubai for saving taxes. Please guide me. Love you from India. Just come over, start a company, get your ID, and you're good to go. How did you find your strategy? How did I find my strategy? One day I was walking through the fields in my village. I'm walking through the fields and I see this injured donkey. He's laying down in the grass, and it's like, oh, I lost something, and he lost his.
I love this guy.
He lost his ability. To be honest, I was just looking at the charts. And we were basically looking at the wicks. So we were looking at the wicks, and then we were looking to see that, okay, as price is moving, what's the probability that these wicks, they actually get filled? Getting filled means the price comes up to tap into these wicks.
Yeah.
We're like, okay, there's a 60 to 70% probability that happens. We're like, okay, awesome. Can that also happen on smaller time frames? Right? Can that also happen on small time? So those are
Joe Fargo
that kept running in my mind. And there's
Joe
a
Fargo in the
video
house.
I uploaded on YouTube explaining all.
Yeah,
of that.
we'll check back with him at 8:30. Yeah, we'll check back with him at 8:30 because he's gonna have buy stops and sell stops. He's definitely gonna have sells below. He's probably gonna have it marked off how our zone is, or he may use this wick right here. This guy. Probably here, and probably, I don't know, one of these wicks he's gonna use. Probably here. Raja. Yeah, nah, Raja, I've studied I've studied everything that man has put out. Everything. Well, not the most recent stuff as much, but man, everything else. The one course he did really changed everything for me. That was it was a free video on YouTube. It was what was that thing called again? Oh man, one of you guys have to know. It was like a 5-hour video. It was like a 5-hour video. I can't remember the name. I don't even think it's up there anymore. It was only on the Forex Factory. I mean, the Forex Family channel. Forgot what it was called, but man, that thing changed my life. That changed everything with trading with me. I began to see things so much different. I don't think he has it. I don't think it's up there anymore. Let me see if they still have it up there. Forex Family. Nah, man, I think they took it down. Yeah, it was on someone else's page. Damn. When John gets up here, he'll remind me the name of it. Maybe you could find it somewhere. I don't know, but man, that was insane. Yeah.
YouTube chat. Do you pay tax in Dubai? Sure. How much can spread be at CPI? The spread at CPI can be anywhere from 1 pip to 5 to 10 pips on CPI.
Yeah. Oh man, chat, I'll remember. But yeah, that one video was 5 hours long, and I literally watched that like 5 times. Then began seeing the candles like he does. Began to continue to hear his voice in my head. And that's when things really started turning for me. I moved away from some sort of like an intraday strategy and began just simply trading candlesticks. What up, Green? Green in the house. What's good? How is it a W with 6 loss and 1 BE? It's not, man. You know, it's not. It sucks to lose. No one likes to lose. No one likes to go into a little bit of a slump, but it happens from time to time in trading. That's, you know, I can focus too on the 119 wins and the 42 losses and just understand the bigger picture. And that goes for you too. You know, when you're taking a losing streak, understand the bigger picture, right? Understand that your strategy and your plan works, but there's probabilities that lie within it. And sometimes you're just going to go in a slump. You know, it's no different from trading to baseball to soccer to football. Like, players go into slumps, and that's, you know, that's part of the game. So it's a W though. It's a W because I've been doing this full time for 3 years, and you know, enjoy the time with my family. It's changed my life, so it's a big W. You can't look like here, right? You gotta see the bigger picture. I really don't think buy stops. Yeah, it's not. Don't worry, AB Mike, we're not doing that. Raja brainwashed you in a good way. Holy, yeah, exactly. Some of you guys like, how do you do that voice so good? I'm telling you, I literally watch this dude all the time. I'm also on a losing streak, 4% in the last 2 weeks. Yeah, man, that's, like I said, it's part of life. It's part of business. It's part of business, man. Happens. It's all good though, right? It's all good because as long as you have a proven record, you're good, right? As long as you have a proven record, you just keep on marching forward and you let those probabilities play out. That's what Mark Douglas talks about in trading in the zone, right? You have to let your edge play out over time. Like I said, you can't be so like looking right up, you know, on the paper, right? You got to kind of step back so you can see what it says. The Don's in the house. Holy. Does holy come from Raja? He does. Yeah, he does. Yeah, my daughter says holy now. It's so funny, man. You guys catch yourself saying it? Yeah. Yeah. Holy. I've been watching you deal with this February month that you had, and bro, mentality is what will take you even further. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Thank you. Thanks, Saeed. Yeah, and you have to stay composed, right? You have to stay composed throughout the years, you know. And this hasn't really happened to me. This is really my first. It's honestly, it's not even that bad, right? 6 losses. Some of you guys took 6 losses this week, you know. So it's not that bad, right? But it's you know, it's a little season of a slump, so it's all goody. I can't wait to pop out of it. Maybe today's the day, right? Maybe today is the day. What up, brother Joe Stewart? What's good? What's good? Yeah, by the way, appreciate all the love. A lot of you guys send me messages and stuff like that. Like, I appreciate that. You know, I understand. Life is bigger than trading too. You know, so you have to just stay composed, man. This is just one part of your life, you know, and you gotta stay composed throughout those little, you know, rough, rocky patches, and you just keep marching, right? And honestly, it goes for any little thing that you're dealing with in life. You gotta stay calm, stay cool, stay composed, and just continue to show up and do what works. Oh, look, Green's in the building. What up, Green? Been a long time. How many sessions you trading these days? I am trading New York session. Yeah, I have a lot going on too with moving and a new baby, so it's tough for me to trade Asian right now. Yeah. And very difficult for me to trade London, so because I'm sleeping during London, so once and we just moved, you know, so we just moved and stuff. So once we get settled in, back in routine and back, you know, really grounded, then I could probably swing on Asian here and there. I still mark Asian up, but don't really got time to higher movers. Yeah, no, we did higher movers. I mean settled into like routine, settled in the spirit, right? And then, you know, begin to move forward. We got a loud house, man, all day. We got 3 kids under 3 years old. My daughter Alea will be 3 years old on the 18th this month. So we got a birthday to celebrate. Yeah, what up? Oh, Sunboy90 Comedy's in the building. I missed you too, my friend. What's good? What's good? What up, ADE? What's good? What's good? How you doing, the Don? I like that name, the Don. Oh, gonna have some lunch? Enjoy your lunch, my friend. Enjoy your lunch. So, if you guys can give the stream a like today, we're trying to give away a 50K evaluation account here today. So, if we get to 1,000 likes, I shouldn't even say if. When we get to 1,000 likes here today, we're going to give one of you guys a 50K challenge account. I was reading some of your messages too on what it would do for you, and I know it would help a lot of people. So that's why I'm going to continue to push these guys to give us a shot, right? Give us more evaluation accounts and all that good stuff. Yeah, unpacking. Yeah, you know, the new crib, it's just a new vibe, you know? It's a new vibe, so gotta get used to it. Lele. Oh. Wait. Today is my daughter's first birthday. Hey, James Moore. Happy birthday to your little one. Birthday number 1, huh? Yeah. I got 1 daughter, 2 sons, man. My daughter is just, oh my goodness. Oh, mate. Big Max, I got you, bro. I got you. I know you do. I know you did. And you got this, man. You know, I'm talking to you, right? If you resonated what I spoke about this morning, then that message is for you today, right? That message is for you. It should be a sign to you, you know, understanding that all is well, right? All is well. When your life is falling together in the physical, that typically means it's coming together in the spiritual. And once that happens, boom, you will be free. Yep, you will be free and you will accomplish your most wildest dreams and goals. You just got to continue to, you know, believe and understand that the life is for you. If you can see it, you can make it happen. Big gangster, what's good? Just found your channel. Hey, what up? Dota? Dota Tunes. Much love to you, man. Much love to you. Yeah, you could join. You guys can join our free Discord. We have a free Discord. It's like, yeah, we have a blast in this Discord. We got the food channel. We ain't gonna bring up the food channel though. Not gonna do that to you guys. Not gonna do it to you. Get everybody hungry. Not only do you come to a channel that says time to eat, but now we're looking at the food channel and the Discord and yeah, let's see. Yeah, you know what? Let's see what you guys are eating today. Let's see what you guys got going on. Send your plates in. Oh yeah, this is what I had yesterday. Hero of the day knows the vibe. I just had a big chicken yesterday. TK rubbing them steaks. Yeah, we do a little steaking over here. We like steaks out here. When we say time to eat, we mean steaks. No more medium well either. John's in the house. Oh, black and white shirt today too. Bethany Church shirt. Let's go. What up, John?
Yo, what up, brother?
How we feeling?
How's it going?
Fantastic. How you doing?
We're feeling amazing, brother. You already know. Today's the best day of my life.
Incredible one, man. Another one.
You already know. Another one, bro. Let's get it. Morning, chat. Morning, everyone in Zoom. Hope you guys are doing great today. Let's get it. New day, new opportunities to be great.
Yes, sir.
Lovely. I saw you looking at the food channel. Getting me hungry.
Yo, my stomach's already riled. Oh. Yo, we got steak on the grill already. Damn, Yanosh. Okay, Yanosh.
Yanosh, you got that steak out already, brother?
I see you. AB Mike always whipping up something fresh. Candle
Mike,
Slanger,
man,
okay. Okay.
Brother starving.
Brother starving. You gonna get the brother starving.
Yo, man.
Hey, yo, Green starving.
Chill, I can't be looking at this. Still got a couple more hours of fasting.
For real.
Sir. What up, chat? What up?
We are going to where'd our boy go? Okay, cool. Yeah, we're gonna watch Raja today pop off on buy stops, sell stops.
Sounds pretty good to me.
CPI.
All right. Lesson of the day. Watch Roger.
Don't watch me. Watch Raja today.
Let's do it. Sounds like a great day. Okay, gold's looking good though.
Yes, sir. Yeah, honestly, gold's
Potential's
looking
great.
good. GJ's looking pretty good. And Nas needs a pullback. So we're starting to get that pullback.
Yep. Brother, I got the same exact things as you.
Let's go.
Love it.
Let's go. 808. 808. We got 20 minutes until news.
Till them fireworks.
To the fireworks show. Shout out to my partner Purpose for showing up every day for the past 11 months. Big W. Shout out to Purpose. Yeah, Purpose been here every day for months and months.
Seconds.
Big W.
Hell yeah, that consistency. Let's go. That's the best thing we can do, chat, right? Compound effects. It doesn't matter in a week, right? The days don't add up in just a week. The days add up in a year, over the months, right? That's where you're really going to see the compound effect work.
Yep. Yep. Let's go say hi. We're going to say hi, Raja.
Because
See-
CPI is going to change how the dollar is moving, and dollar is then going to affect yen a little bit, and that's going to move pound yen, but not a lot. You know, CPI is basically an earthquake. Even though pound yen does not have USD in it, the shock waves are going to be experienced with the yen pairs as well.
Yeah,
There's going to
GJ.
be some shock waves coming up. What is trailing stop loss? Google that. ICD traders are trash. Oh wow, look at this.
Let's go. It's only
This
Tuesday.
guy over here, he's calling all you guys trash.
A week ahead.
All you ICT guys, this guy here in the chat is calling you trash. They can't grow an account. That's hilarious. I want to meet you in Dubai, sure. So we have 20 minutes left. 20 minutes left for CPI.
CPI.
We have 20 minutes left. What broker is this? This is Dominion Market.
Yeah, we'll watch him pop off on that. See how he does.
He gonna do
I
great.
like his arrogance. Yeah.
Oh, I can tell you that this is tough, man. Things are getting tough for the U.S. traders. All you guys got to move. And even if you're in the U.S., even if you do move, even if you do make money outside of the U.S.,
Yeah,
the U.S. will still say,
Yeah, Joe
"Hey,
Fargo.
buddy,
I used to always
how
find
much
that
money-
hilarious.
Sam Capital's here.
Hey,
We traded
Sam
with
the
Raja
man.
today. Yes. Yes.
Yo, what up, Sandman?
Yeah, GJ, man. GJ got a clean move up too here today. Hope
Yo,
it's
what
a
up,
sell.
Faraz?
Hope it's a sell. Who's Roger? Send me to the stream. One day you're gonna be on
Three
stream with
pairs
us.
of
Let's go.
Fuego.
Let's go. Let's go. Pull up. It's time. It's time.
Send him the Zoom link. Let's go. Get up here.
Bing. There he is. What up, Sam? Sam, you pulling up? Is Sam on Zoom or not?
Let me give that a
Sam
look.
Capital.
Let me give that a look. Oh,
You
he
there?
is. Oh, Sam.
Oh, I'm missing all the action over here. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Hey, we got a quiet Zoom here today. Shout out to the guys on Zoom. Nice and quiet here today.
Zoom is awesome.
Oh, no. Yeah, there we go. Let's get Sam Capital. Sam Capital. Sam Capital.
Him.
Unmute him. Unmute him. Hit him with the spotty.
Yo, John, you seen that? I didn't realize that the last
Yeah,
second.
I seen that.
Whoops.
Don't worry, you're not on stream yet.
Yeah, facts, yeah.
That's
Facts.
funny though. I don't know if Nick told you that or not yet.
Nah, he did.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
That's funny, bro.
All right, you're about to be on stream in 5, 4,
I'm
3,
good.
2,
Love
1.
it.
Stream
I love
face
that though,
on.
bro.
Stream faces, everyone. Boom. All right. Hey, Sam Capital. How you doing here today, buddy?
No, I'm doing great, bro. How you doing, Nick?
Fantastic, brother. Fantastic. I see you in the back in the White
CPI.
House.
Yes, sir. I like the
CPI
White House
day.
background, bro. It always feels good.
Me too. It fits you
Nah,
just
yeah.
right.
I feel like, yeah, I was gonna say like the background is like perfect, just how I'm sitting, and then.
That's your OG look, bro, you know?
Straight up.
Yeah, true.
I like that one better
What
than
up,
the
Chuck?
bunker.
Same.
bunker with
yeah,
the
well,
big
Yeah,
pool.
facts.
night mode, dark mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sam Capital. CPI day, huh?
Let's see. I'm I'm bearish, but it's not looking like at least so far. We'll see. Maybe we'll get one bearish candle right before it happens. But
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Or just a break of all these lows. It's boink. Maybe something like this.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Otherwise, I'm chilling.
Big chillin'.
Yo, facts. We are chilling, man.
It's good. Classic. How was your birthday, bro?
Oh, Classic Traders in the building. What up, Classic? Happy birthday,
Classic.
man. That's right. How was your birthday?
Happy birthday, bro.
Yeah, yesterday. The big day.
What'd you do, man? You go out with your family, friends? Shawty?
Shawty.
Sorry. You're bad.
Or did you just
Shawty,
stare at the
man.
doorknob?
Or did you back test and watch Roger Banks?
Dude, what are you doing for your birthday? Back testing. Classic Trader, man. Shout out to Classic Trader.
Yeah, word.
Nice.
Word.
Hung out with some friends. Dope. Dope.
Sounds
dope.
Happy
great, bro.
birthday to AB Mike. AB Mike's birthday was like 2 weeks ago, bro. Happy birthday. Belated though, again.
Yeah.
Maybe Mike.
Happy belated birthday.
This dude's strong. Who said that? Paras. I'm watching you, bro.
Paraz.
Raz.
The man, the myth, the
Raz.
legend.
You got your Walmart wrench.
The troll. I love Paras.
That wall.
It's funny, bro.
Yo, that Walmart. Hey, look, listen. You gotta visualize it, right? You
Yeah,
gotta
sure.
visualize it. Hey, it may be no surprise or something. You know, next time we do some modding, right? You gotta visualize it. You gotta put it out
Exactly.
there. That's what I like about Paraz, man. He's a visionary.
Yeah. It all starts in the mind.
Yep. Don't worry about that little Walmart wrench, man. That thing might turn into a full blown blue mod wrench here one day. You know?
Hey, gotta start somewhere.
Yeah. I like it though. I like it.
Low.
I like that guy. I like that guy.
I like him too. He's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at Sam Capital comes up here talking about red candles, and red candles come about.
There you
Coming
go.
down right now.
He's the
Oh,
chart
Wizard
whisperer.
genius.
Yeah, it'll be interesting how it closes right before CPI. If you
Yeah.
get a nice bearish candle, then I think that's like the no-brainer. But right now, it just looks tricky, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. I think Raja has his line under here. I don't want this. This is too choppy.
I'm hardly wrong, yes, but I'm not always 100% right either, right? We are in the trading, so
trading.
I can
Beat
tell
you.
you whenever I think it looks beautiful though. Like today, it's not one of those days. Because it's like there's a couple things that I I'd like to line up. Like if I were to actually execute a trade with the news. And yeah, I don't know that previous 4 hour, but we'll see. We'll see.
Sam gonna give you the sauce.
Give you the sauce, yeah, bro. Tap into the
Secret
bootcamp.
sauce.
Ooh, no sauce on the live stream today.
The
The boot camp only.
Yeah, bro. I made that like little video, and I felt like I gave out so much just even in that.
Yeah.
Sam's hardly wrong. Yeah, he's never wrong. Yep. Yep, he knows his
Don't
stuff.
say never. Don't jinx me.
He
Yeah, the
knows his
second I
stuff.
start to chat, the second I start saying, yeah, I'm the beast, bro. I destroy news. I know every single day. I know where price is going. I'm losing every single time. The second I start talking like that, bro. Market will humble you quick.
Facts, bro.
Real quick, real quick.
Now that you say that, I'm no way longer confident. Yeah, I mean, it's just, you know, so, like, we got that, like, pull back to that resistance, and now we're just kind of waiting to see, like,
Yep.
I just want to see a bearish candle at the very least.
Yeah.
Right before the, because then otherwise it wouldn't make sense, right? Because, like, even with the news, price action is, like, always going to make sense in a way, right? Like, you can go back through the chart and just, like, look at all the candles, and, like, you wouldn't even be able to, well, except for maybe some of the huge ones. But, like, some days you wouldn't even be able to tell there was news.
Yeah.
Obviously, for a day like this, though, I won't say that.
Price really does like to drive from here, though. If you guys see, like, look at all this, like, drive. Look at price came up, drove. So price likes driving from this point. Yeah, a lot of movement right in this zone here. So we'll see if we can get up later.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Yeah,
10
what did
minutes.
Comex end up doing?
I'll be right back. Comics?
Comex
just
sometimes gives a hint. Ooh, it just sort of
push down, I think, right away. And
Like pushing up and down, consolidating.
yeah, it's making a nice range.
Yeah, that's what you like, right?
Gotta start grabbing orders.
Yeah.
Yeah, the range is nice, but like, go to the 15-minute time frame. I feel like this will be the candle that is like you really want to look at, just because it's like, okay, if it closes above, then it's probably gonna shoot up.
Yeah.
But if you get a bearish closure on this 15, like after it just broke the previous highs, and on the 30 it broke those highs, and on the 1 hour, but it ends up printing bearish like right before money.
Yeah, like it could depend all on the candle closure here,
Yeah.
on the direction we go.
Exactly. That's like
Makes a lot of
basically
sense.
like all I'm kind of watching right now. Yeah, because then if you get
That
like
makes
a
a lot of
nice
sense.
bearish closure on this 15, then the 30-minute will close bearish as well.
Yeah,
So
that makes sense though.
yeah, we'll see. What up, Sunboy90?
Hey, yo, that's a pretty fire name.
Sir,
Free there.
Sunboy, bring out the heat.
Yo, chat, who's got buy stops and sell stops for 8:30? Be honest.
DK got sell stops. Ooh, just the sell
DK.
stops. That's I actually like that.
DK full margin. Okay, there you go. 0.
0.25.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
You know, he's in sales.
Hey, what
Yeah,
up,
you
you
know,
know?
I remember one day you caught a massive trade on news, bro. That was a day that it actually was like super, like it was like, for example, like I was saying, everything like lined up. That was a good one. I remember that day. I think you took buys or something.
You know, should be in there.
No Shreddy let one rip.
Yeah,
TK.
Jimmy, I'm doing the same.
TK's no dummy, bro. He hears what's going on.
He definitely ain't no dummy, bro. Dude be cooking.
He's like, sell stops. Yeah, you know what? I heard it.
Heard.
Dude uses his brain.
Yeah.
The volume's picking up
Swear.
though. This is getting great.
It's getting volatile.
Yeah. Let's watch it spike down 7 pips, come back up instant.
Let's watch it on the 5-minute, mate.
On the 5 minute.
On the
you'll,
5.
you'll see a crazy move then.
Crocky, mate.
Love the 5.
Big explosion coming in. Oh, yeah. Damn, I forgot what I was going to say to you. Crap. Oh, yeah, bro. This is the first time I ever charged my headset for like 2 or 3 hours. Dude, this thing was like working to the next level. Like, it was so loud in my headset, I didn't realize it. I was doing the morning breakdown like, all right, gold's going to... And, dude, all of a sudden the baby woke up. And I'm like, oh, damn, yo, I'm screaming at the top of my lungs like, Z Gamers in the house, TK's in the... Yo,
Oh, I was like, why are you yelling? Why are you yelling?
Yo. And then I
Yeah,
realized,
shroud,
like,
damn.
yo, this thing was like fully charged, dude. It was like, I don't know, man. I couldn't even hear myself, so I was screaming. And yeah, I heard the baby wake up, but Anna told me that they couldn't even hear me, so I was like, oh, damn.
That's
Alright.
so funny, bro. Wow.
Yo.
Damn, bro.
I started laughing so hard.
Dude,
The
I got
power
this
of
thing.
charging your electronics.
Yeah, man. I got this thing down to like 50, 55 or something here. Yeah, and it's like, this is what it used to sound like at like 75.
TK.
I'm like, damn. I woke up the baby, but apparently not. Apparently not. So I guess
That's good.
we could talk pretty loud in here.
Yeah, dude. I mean, that room's far as heck from like everyone else. So
Should I get the soundproof walls? No. Well, we'll bring Bruce out.
that'd be pretty dope.
It's time.
Marcus.
Woke up the neighbors.
Imagine.
Neighbors like, what's going on in that house?
Dude, doing a breakdown.
Is that guy calling the price of gold?
That's so funny. Yeah.
At 6:30 in the
Neighbors hear
morning?
you, they're like, what is that? Avengers fighting in there or something, bro? It's just Nick doing the breakdown.
Talking at the top of my lungs like I'm working on like Wall Street. All right, everyone. Neighbors are quaking.
Yo, bro.
Neighbors quaking. Marcus, that's harsh, bro. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's turn Raja back on. Let's see. Hold on. Let me go to his YouTube. It's probably not gonna have him for another like 2 minutes. It's Red 57. We're going long,
Yeah,
baby.
Jimmy. Knock on the neighbor's door and be like, "Hey, can you leave a like on my YouTube live stream?"
And you got a wife too? And how many kids? 2? They all have YouTube channels?
Yeah.
All right, give us a like. We're trying to get someone a 50K valuation account here today. Yo, we're almost halfway there. Yeah, by the way, for those of you guys who just came in, if we get 1,000 likes here, we got a 50K evaluation account we're giving away. So if you guys want, like the stream, we'll get closer to a G. And once we get that G stack, someone else gonna get a nice little stack too.
I just gave it a like too. So
Alright, so chat. Look at this. Gold is breaking the highs right here. If we pull back and close below, it's bleeding. I'm gonna tell you that right now.
Later, you heard the man.
I'm gonna tell you that right now. But if it closes above,
Yeah, because a lot of people
this
set
could have
their
been a liquidity grab right there.
yeah, they set their orders early, too early
Yeah, some
sometimes.
of y'all, and like yeah, so like trust me, like in the back testing and the trying and sample sizing and news, I would have just got stopped out there and passed.
Oh, let's bring him up.
That's interesting. Should I just go wild, or should I
Good
just
luck
go
to all the
easy?
news.
Should I go wild or should I go easy? Let's do 3 lots. Let's do 3 lots. At least let's make $1,000, right? At least make $1,000. So my buy stop is going to be above this 30-minute candle, and my sell stop is going to be below the 30-minute candle. Buy stop is going to be above the 30-minute candle. Sell stop is going to be below the 30-minute candle. Okay,
I feel like Mr.
Right now,
Squiggly
I'm not
Eyes now.
placing it now because the price is moving really quick.
How do you guys
I'm
do
gonna be
this?
placing it
It's making me dizzy.
15 seconds before the news.
They don't even know.
15 seconds before the news because, I don't know what's gonna happen. Even
This
now,
probably be
after
the most
trading for
exciting part of
8
the day
years,
for me.
making millions out of the market, I still get
butterflies.
sweaty hands. I still get sweaty hands because of the excitement. All right, this goes my buy stop.
Oh, I love this guy.
Right here, above the candle, got my buy stop.
Right here,
There's no
above.
stop loss. I'm going to be manually managing it.
Buy
And my
stop.
sell stop is going to go
Yeah, I knew it.
below this candle.
Oh.
Okay? You got it. 30 seconds
Oh,
left.
below this one?
My sell stop
Yeah.
is below the candle. My buy stop is
I
above
thought he
the
would go
candle.
below here.
Okay, let's go.
Let's see.
20 seconds left.
10 seconds.
20 seconds
We're
left.
delayed here
Let's
on
see
the
what's
stream.
going to happen now. All right.
Let's
Buy
zip them
stop
off
is
so
above
it's
the
not delayed.
candle and
Seconds.
Close above.
Close
I do nothing.
above. Oh, here it comes.
Oh,
Oh!
holy!
I knew it.
Oh, you know, just close your bag, bro.
Yo, TK, close that. TK got
TK, close
slipped
your bag.
96 pips.
Easy money,
Damn.
baby. Easy money, baby. Yeah, who got them leaders?
Let's hear his
Oh,
reaction.
what the fuck? Oh, no. Oh, my God,
Wow.
man.
Yeah, close above, but I don't know.
Yeah,
Oh,
fake out.
Whatever.
no, what?
Daily candle back down.
Yeah.
Holy, I
Damn,
missed
bro.
my
So what
blue
did
That was
the
nuggets.
print.
CPI come out? I was
Oh my
expecting
God,
higher
you
than
guys see that?
3.
That was
Oh.
wild. At
3.1.
least got 20 pips
We
out
got
of
a
here.
clean number, so it should keep coming down.
Did you see that?
Wow.
You see,
Nice.
now,
So we
look,
got green numbers.
let's take a look at the numbers, right?
Yes,
So we were
That was lit.
we were right about
Nail,
one thing.
bro.
That
Yo.
we were right about one thing.
Telling you,
That-
for me,
That
that's
that
the best
the
feeling right
price
there. Just
was
watching
Oh,
it
yeah.
priced
play
in.
out how I want
right?
to see.
Sam
bro.
Capital does it
I don't need
again.
to be in that. I don't need to be in that.
He don't need to
Sam
be in
is a
it.
G.
He does it again, ladies and gents.
I actually
Gee.
drew it up too. Oh, I'll find the screenshot.
He does it again.
Wizard.
Awesome. So green numbers. Gold should move down. You broke through. You gave that 4-hour a bottom wick as well. Daily candles moving back bearish again. So yeah, very very nice. Let's see how we do. See if we pull back at all.
That was hilarious. Oh my God, I can't believe.
Very nice.
Oh,
Oh man.
that was so funny.
That was
Basically,
crazy.
I lost the profits I made.
That's the
today.
first time in a long time
Well,
that I've
I'm
actually
still in
watched
profit
news
for-
drive up for like, bro, like what was that, half of a second,
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
then it flipped.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
$500 today.
I
That's
told you guys
crazy.
like it just prints. It's just a print candle. It's not like a candle that moves.
Wow,
it's
that's-
just
Yeah, with the
Boom.
CPI, yo, yeah.
yeah.
Once I seen it going up
Lost
for like a split second, I
$4,000
was like, damn.
on sell
Yeah, and then it
stop.
flipped and
No,
printed
buy.
100 pips. So I was like, okay.
Mm. Raja's so happy to lose money. Yeah, you see, you guys be this is how you guys sound when you lose money. Right? You see Raja, he don't care. It's part of the game.
Yeah, he don't give a shit.
He
Yeah,
knows.
exactly.
Come on.
Give a rip.
He knows how to think like a professional.
Yeah, you know, it's 2030 instead of 20.
Wow, man. Anyway, take care,
This guy's-
everyone.
This
I was
guy's
trying to
We'll see you
yelling.
guys tomorrow.
If there was
Give a like to
any,
the stream,
like,
subscribe.
it just
He's out.
ooh, actually, on the 15-minute, there was a resistance right there.
Right here.
It closed against. Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah,
see
oh, this one too right here. This is the one I was looking at before. Look at that,
Yeah.
right on it, right at the decimal.
Not gonna lie, I did not notice.
Right, we talked about price
I
reacting
thought
in
it
this
closed
area.
above. Yeah, I thought it closed above.
Yeah.
Now it makes sense.
Yep. Yep.
Later.
Later. We called it.
Later.
Got slipped. Oh yeah, what happened with Nas here? Yeah, same thing, same deal. Nice. GJ? Everything down.
Nice.
I gotta make a clip.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
Nas
here come
bleeding.
the Quakers, guys. They're coming in soon, so
Yeah.
they just blew a huge bag gambling, and then they're gonna get upset if we go and draw down. So just relax. Tell them relax on the way in.
Yeah, we bleeding. Sheesh.
Yeah, it should keep honestly coming down.
Wow, nice move
If
there.
we can get an entry at 9:30, that's probably the only way I get in this today.
Yeah.
Word. Bro,
5
daily
minute
pack,
bleeder.
Yeah.
Later.
The daily did a pack.
Yeah.
Daily did a pack, yeah.
Oh, it's gone.
Daily
Yeah,
grabbed the pack, yep.
So now it's like,
That news.
what is our next big fundamental event? Is what I'm looking for. Because
Look at the
that'll be our
monthly.
next move like this. Oh yeah, monthly
Everything's
gone.
down. Monthly, weekly, daily pack. 4 hour
Wow,
broke
man,
all
look
the
at
lows.
that 4 hour. Sheesh.
Yeah. 1 hour gonna cover the whole range. You got more clean sells below 2004 here. All the way down towards like 1980.
down.
Damn.
Yo, you guys that took that, y'all are dope. Y'all on fire, bro.
Yeah, I seen someone said they got 7K on that. Beautiful.
Yeah,
man.
I'm
That's
getting
amazing.
Yeah, they're in the daily. Oh, yo.
And I'm out.
Nima Watt. That was a big bleeder, bro.
What'd you say?
All day.
They're posting in the daily profits. Yo.
Oh, nice.
In the
nice.
Discord.
Check it out.
Sheesh.
Hey, how many pips is that, bro?
Is that a
2029,
chew?
You got 100 pips on like 3 positions.
Oh,
wait.
let's see these. Yeah, if you guys took these, let's take a look. Yeah, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord. Oh, baby. Oh, nice. Sheesh. Lovely.
Later.
Later. That's solid.
Yeah. Oh wait, now I can say it. Sign up to the boot camp. If you want to learn how to do that, sign up.
Yeah, I can't wait for Sam's segment in the boot camp, man.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna make that that PDF. Yeah, it's gonna have a key and everything. So this is all you're gonna have to know.
That's solid.
If you know how the green numbers, red numbers works. It's just gonna be like, okay, if CPI is this is the forecast,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's either this or this.
Yeah.
Make it simple.
This or that. It's either there or it's not.
Because I feel like a lot of traders, personally, I feel like this. I feel like a lot of other traders, they try to overcomplicate the fundamentals sometimes, bro.
Mhm.
Like, yeah, that's why I like the what we do here.
Yeah.
Because the chart really is like, bro, it can only either go up or down.
Up or
Mhm.
down. That's literally
So,
that's it.
Yeah.
Tells you
like,
you're going up or down.
you know,
That's the hardest question in the world sometimes.
it is too. Yeah.
But which
Well,
which
yeah, bro,
one is it?
there's so many variables. Yeah.
For
Look
real.
what GJ did? Yeah. Look what GJ did. Wow, Nazier downtown. Down we go. Down goes Frazier.
Straight bleeders here today, Tuesday.
I really overcomplicated fundamentals. Yeah, I feel like I did too, and I kind of pushed myself away from it a little bit. And then, like, once we started chatting, once I became friends, more cool with Sam and everything, we started talking. It's like, it's just simple, right? It's simple stuff. Like, get the idea, get the gist behind it, figure out what the numbers are, figure out how the numbers affect price, and then go based off of, and then still base it off of price action. It's just like that extra confirmation. And if you're really good at news, I guess you can kind of understand this move happening, so you have an edge over someone like me. Like, if you really like I follow one guy, he's like all about news fundamentals. Maybe he took this off to check later, but you know, that's his edge. That's not really my edge, but I still gonna follow price. You know, just follow price action.
And I've even tried to, and we'll talk about it in the boot camp a little bit more, like some of the edge that I have found personally. But today it was obviously.
Yeah.
Bullish driving up straight into it.
Yeah. Yeah, that was definitely the resistance though that had to be. I think a lot of people had it right here. We had ours right here, but we weren't trading news, and it was off the 30-minute. But
that's
yeah,
where
if
I
you
had
were
mine as well. Well, the 30 is the strongest, so it makes
yeah 30.
I initially had mine on the 1 hour time frame, but then like once we broke that wick.
Oh yeah, the
like
high
way
right
up
here.
there to left.
Yep, this one.
I just was like, yeah.
Can you explain to me how it hit my stop loss when it wasn't close to my stop loss? Sam could explain that.
Yeah, so like right before the news, typically like 5 minutes before, you've seen that candle kind of spike up. Like it's usually like 2 to 3 minutes right before the news, right? And so that's why I had said that if this thing breaks the highs and comes and closes back below, then that was the liquidity grab likely. However, news did open up. It drove up to the upside at first and to grab liquidity, stop out people that were already in, and then obviously once you have all those liquidity, all that orders from like up in here, then boom, where you have clean traffic from now to go back down. Especially like with these candles here, this made for all clean traffic, and then what happened? Boom, we corrected the whole thing. Drawn on Nick's screen, bro, making it.
Yeah, we all know that most traders are impatient or disciplined, so we know that most traders took buys. You know, like anyone that wanted to try and gamble or make a quick buck here took buys. All right, it just look at it, it's obvious. Like, oh, take a buy, it should go up. So yeah, that's the pump and dump, baby.
Pump and dump.
The old school pump and dump.
I don't know why. I love bleeders more than juicers for some reason.
Me too.
I don't know about you boys.
I think it depends, like on the market sentiment. Like like I think like right now I would definitely like bleeders, but once the Fed starts to like actually say like, yo, we're cutting the rates and that, the buys are gonna be wild. And that just has to do with like behavioral psychology.
Yeah.
Obviously, like a bunch of people like are gonna want to get it now to hold for the next 10 years.
Yeah.
Or whenever the next pandemic the next time they print money, we'll say.
Yeah.
Lots of money. Yeah, because then all that money, bro, it's like that $1,300 stimulus check, boom, straight to the people. What do the people have to do? They gotta spend that money on their bills, groceries, etc. Boom, and then it goes back to the stores like Walmart, big corporations, boom, and then back into the stock market.
Yep.
Yeah.
Bingo.
And then that's why you say, or not you, but people say that wealth's getting wealthier.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very true.
It's all rigged.
Something about bleeders? Yeah, something about bleeders for me. I like cells.
I think I just like the color red. I don't know.
I like cells, man. Cells on gold.
Ooh,
Yeah, this thing juiced right
the
down.
DXY. I do want to see the DXY. Oh yeah, bro. DXY always does this. One candle. Clears the whole range, bro. That's how you know the US dollar is rigged.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, like,
Juicer, there's a juicer, boys.
Look at the 15, bro. Right before it, 15 minute makes the tiniest support.
I'm here. Boom. Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, so
If you don't know what a juicer is, chat, that's what it is.
Yeah, bro, that is. Too bad you can't trade that.
Yeah.
You look at this. Yeah, well.
That's a juicer. Did y'all look at it? Just look at it. After a losing streak, how can you control your emotions? How do you feel? Do you feel hesitation to take a trade if you see a setup? So it's not after the losing streak, it's during the losing streak, right? That you have to kind of control your emotions and just stay composed. And you gotta understand it all goes back to the probabilities of the game, right? And I was saying this earlier too. It all goes back to the bigger picture. And how are you doing overall, right? How are you doing in your trading overall? Because a lot of times traders will get into a slump and they will begin to think, you know, do I have it anymore? Did I just get lucky for the last 2 years, 3 years? You know, does my system work, right? Is my strategy still intact, right? So these are the thoughts that will go through traders' heads as they go into a slump. So you have to understand that all of those things are false, right? Those are just false evidence appearing real, and that's just emotion thinking, right? So as long as you stay composed day in and day out, my motto is always, I'm going to show up to the charts and look for the next best trade day in and day out. You know, that's the advice I give, and that's the advice I live, right? My only goal is to not focus on what happened in the past, but show up the next day and look for the best opportunity I could pull the trigger on. Because I know that, you know, you can go through a couple losing streaks. We've been through like two or three, right? So 2 or 3, like 3 trade losing streaks, right? But never really 6 in the past couple years. So this is a little bit of a bigger one for me, I guess I would say. But you gotta just learn to stay composed, and you gotta, again, you can't look at things right up in front. You gotta kind of put them back to see the bigger picture, right? And the bigger picture is this, you know, the bigger picture, since we've been streaming records like 119 and 40 something, you know, the bigger picture is, you know, me and my wife have been literally kicking back, bulling off of this for 3 years now with no jobs. Like we're here to raise our family. You know, we got money in the bank. So that's the bigger picture. You know, you have to understand that, and you can't get too caught up on the little things, right? Like you ever see a scary movie? The girl usually trips. What do you usually trip over? A little twig, right? A little stick. Very rarely do you ever trip over a tree, right? It's the little things that trip people up in life, and it's these little slumps or little seasons that get most people off the beaten path, right? So you just got to remain positive, composed, and stay on that path that you know has been working for you. Regardless of what's happening in the microscopic, right, on the micro, always step back and look at the macro on how things are actually playing out, right? Everything else is just a bit of noise trying to get you off that beaten path. So I just stay steadfast, man. I just stay steadfast. I understand that trading is just one part of my life. And I know what I'm capable of, right? I know that, like Sam messaged me yesterday. He's like, dude, I know when this pops, it's going to pop for you, like just like it's done plenty of other times, right? Anytime we went on like a 2 or a 3 streak, like losing streak, all of a sudden boom 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 boom, you know, the W's just start flying. So, you know, I expect the same thing to happen, no different here, and that's kind of my outlook and my perspective on things.
Yeah, no, and it's true. Like, everyone goes through it that is, like, really in this game. Like, bro, I even told Nick, like, you know, November for me was probably my worst month of the whole year last year, but I'm pretty sure November was a pretty good month on stream.
Yeah.
But,
yeah, it was.
Man, it's just like, you know, going with the waves. Just like the candles, you know? It's gonna open up, make top wick, it might come down. Yeah, it might even grab pack on you.
Yeah.
But
Part of the game.
It's all part of the game.
Yep. And, you know, going back to doing the opposite of the masses, right? Because majority of people fail, right? So don't do what majority of people do, right? Don't think negatively. Don't quit because you lost, right? Do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, and you'll get the opposite results, right? Because majority of the world is failing. So just do the opposite of them.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, they're...
Does Jolt's job
noise
openings
deflectors, yeah,
correlate to the NFP news? Sometimes. It could give a little bit of a hint for what may happen in NFP. So yeah, it definitely does correlate.
Nice. There's your push there too on that 15 after the close. Nice.
How did Nas and that go? I was expecting bleeders there too. Oh.
Yeah, that was solid. I didn't see that closure. That close happened like 3 minutes ago. Close below support there. Yeah,
Well, on the
it
15.
should have. I think it tapped 2008 super quick too. Yeah, fill that wick. Yeah, nice. Anyone take that? I didn't see that. I was
Nah,
not
I'm
paying
wait for
attention.
9:30.
Ups.
Doot, doot.
Get on that next 4 hour and ride the train down.
Ride the river.
Yeah, right.
Choo choo. Yeah, that thing gonna be chugging away.
Wow,
If we
GJ
get a
up.
nice, beautiful closure, yeah, the 4 hour could give us a beautiful closure if it keeps pushing
Yeah.
for gold. Yeah, bro, pumping up. Yeah, that's like that. You ever see the video of it's like a meme. It's like of the Russian guy, and it's like he bought, dump it, and they dump the price.
Never seen that.
Dump it. Yeah, and it's like he took a buy, make it range the whole time till he exits.
GJ back up.
I gotta find it. Bro.
Sheesh.
It's so funny.
Yeah, facts.
Nas bleeder too. Yeah, 4 hour closure coming up here. Got clean range coming down. Had a wick entry on the 5. Oh, nice. Let me see the 5 there. Yeah, which one? This one or this one? Yeah, the 15 was nice. Quick push too, I believe. Looked pretty quick.
There you go, Jimmy. Was down 6% on his 50K account 2 weeks ago. Now he's in profit. There you go. That's what happens when you just focus on the next best trade, regardless of the outcome, right? You focus on the process of trading, not the results. Beautiful.
Yeah, previous 5, nice. Yeah, W, bro. Good stuff, Jimmy.
Yo, this is so funny, bro. This video. You might have to show this.
Send it to me.
It's like a minute long.
Nas
bought?
Blader. He bought.
Dump it.
Gold gonna keep bleeding. Yeah, we may see a continue bleeder here. Lots of green numbers here. So dollar should be cooking. Dollar should be juicing. Gold should be bleeding. Let's go back to the dollar, see what it's doing. Yeah, dollar just bleeding or juicing here.
It grew wings and took flight.
Nice job, Chala.
Chola, let's go.
Oh,
Chala.
Beautiful,
Chola,
man.
dude.
That's what I like to hear.
got a drawdown. Let's get it. He got himself out of drawdown.
Hey, Chala, W.
There.
I'm gonna buy at the 4 hour close for the tracement. Nice. Yeah, let's see if we get a pullback now.
Yeah, it'd be beautiful.
Yeah, let's redraw these lines here too, chat. So pretty much we have, obviously we've pushed down here. We've got green numbers on the news here. So you have supports right in, let me just use this. You have supports right here, and then you have a nice new range coming down towards 2004, and then below that you have this whole move, right, to potentially push down for. So you got a lot of room coming down here on gold today. Daily did officially re-break its own low and cruising down now, right? So coming into the support level, clean move coming down if the daily really wants to sell off here today. Weekly's very bearish as well, right? Just rebroke the weekly lows after making that top wick. We needed that top wick. And yeah, if we break that monthly low, we should see a nice push here as well. So that's what gold's doing right now. We're in this little bit of a range. So where can we see that pullback? Probably somewhere up here, somewhere in these ranges, right? It's a little bit of a top wick coming up. I would say Yeah, somewhere around here, right? 4-hour top wick, and then a rebreak of the lows, and you got a clean move coming downtown here. So, yeah, we should be good to go to keep moving. Yeah, looking to target like 88 here. Can we get back below 2,000? Can we do it?
I think so. Yeah. And then, you know what I find very interesting that I was just talking to someone about? I just said, hey, something quite typically, you know, and this is just an observation I made over the last couple years, but usually something crazy happens in the world within the next 2 weeks. So, like, I wouldn't be surprised, like, now gold's pushing down. It's getting to a nice spot for him to buy it right back up.
Thank you. Come again. They're laughing all the way to the bank. Yeah, we only
Real,
make
bro, for real.
$75,000 a year.
Yeah.
We're pretty good at investing. Sam Capital calls it again.
Yeah,
Wow.
one question. If news is good on dollar, where Nas go up or down, it should go down if the dollar's going to move up.
Yeah, Xander, that's awesome, bro. That's what you call progress.
Yeah, that is fire. That
That
alone
is,
right
yeah.
there, even if you spent 1 year just figuring that out, it's so worth it, right? Everyone thinks you have to have everything dialed in 1 year or 6 months. Imagine trying to have everything dialed in 6 months. Like this game takes years, right? Listen to the wizards, right? The real top dogs in the industries, man. This game takes a long time. So even if you just spent 1 year doing that alone, that's a W year, right? Even if you didn't make any money, zero profit, nothing, even if you didn't even break even, right? Trimming that down right there is you putting in the work really in your psyche, right? In your mentality. And again, remember gang, money is the last thing that comes from success, right? It's a lagging indicator that you're winning. It's a lagging indicator that you're successful because it's like the tree, right? The fruit comes last, right, on a tree. So understanding this process, right, and this process of growth is really where you want to keep your head at, because now you can focus on progress and not trying to really rush things, right, and have the right expectation. I think that's the biggest misinterpretation in the whole game is the expectation. Not like, oh, I expect the market to do this, but oh, I expect to be rich in 1 year, right? It's like, or I expect to be a professional trader in 1 year. Or you give yourself this time. It's a continuous journey. You know, it's a continuous journey. But as long as you're improving like that, you know you're going in the right direction.
100%, bro. Everyone's so focused on the destination, the goal, but it's the process, right? The process is the prize, because in the process, that's where you become the type of person who accomplishes that goal, right? So yeah, bro, the process is everything. That's where everyone's gotta keep their head in.
Yep. Yeah, good stuff, Xander.
Yeah, people think, oh, I need to have 5 to 10% months to be a great trader. That's honestly wrong, right? If you finish 2%, 3% in profit, like even BE, that's really, I think that's great. That's something majority of traders cannot do. So if you're able to do that, you're doing really good right now.
Yeah.
And keep focusing, progressing.
Yep. Name of the game, baby. All right, 2 minutes for this closure. Yeah, 15 tap target perfectly. Yeah, let's see what happens here though. 4 hour later. Yes, sir. I'm not profitable on breakouts or onions, but I am on fake outs, which is the hardest setup for me to trade. Interesting. Yeah, maybe you just have a knack for spotting the fake out, right? Having that bias and understanding levels, you know, on where price is going to do the fake out. So yeah, focus on it. Hone in on it.
The fake out is pretty much the same thing as the onion.
Yeah,
to be honest.
only you're spotting the fake out. Some guys want to make
What up, Landon?
75K in one trade. Yeah, that was a big problem for me too. Sometimes I would try and make a whole bunch of money in one trade. Meanwhile, the money wasn't in that trade. You know, it was, you know, you got to know what to do within your trades. You can't just say, hey, I'm going to hold, I want to make this amount. You know, it just don't work like that.
What up, Landon?
Landon in the building. What up, my boy? Throwing steaks out here. He's throwing steaks at us.
Throwing steaks.
What's good, kid? What's good, kid?
It's meat day.
Yeah.
What's for dinner today, Landon? Steak or burgers?
Ooh, slip during news? Yeah, man, it happens. That's why it's very tough to trade that news release like that.
Yeah. And that's why, you know, even like me, I just leave it go, bro. It's not worth it. Like, unless it's so, like, beautiful, like I was saying earlier, like, and everything's lining up for me to where I'm not even gonna quake.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
No,
But
that's
it's
true,
like,
man.
close above, seen that spike up, boom, broke the highs, and then flip instantly printed like 80 pips. But it is all right though, as long as you make that loss a lesson. Korean barbecue? Oh, that sounds beautiful, bro. With your beautiful
Landon.
lady.
Living the dream, bro.
W.
Korean barbecue, nice. All right.
Bro, I played Baccarat yesterday for like 2 hours after the stream.
What is that? Video game?
No, it's like it's like a casino game.
Oh.
It's like one of the ones I haven't really played that much, so I was like trying it out, whatever. But, after 2 hours, I net a whole $10. Easy day's work.
Easy days work. Easy
days
peasy.
work.
At least cashed out and profit, you know.
Yeah, yes, sir. That's a profitable day. That's the thing. Yo, like, bro, like, I have rules that like, when I have went to the casino, like, when we were on our break, one of my rules is, like, it's just like trading, bro. If I go up from, say, like, I started with, like, 200 bucks. If I go up to, usually it's, like, 50 to 70% of whatever I brought, then if I come back down to break even, I gotta leave.
I'm out.
Because I'm gonna lose all that money. I learned that one,
What you
like,
call
dude.
smart.
Yeah.
I'm with a strategy, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back when it's a better setup, better day, bro. Like, that's what I just like.
Back to break even and going home.
Yeah, exactly. I ain't gonna pray and hope it plays out.
Please God, don't let me go negative.
Yeah, well, you're literally gambling. Yeah. Only risk what you can afford to.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I don't like when I do go, like, bro, I don't play no crazy, like, it's like $10 a hand, 15. Just one more game and I can make it all back. Yeah, exactly. That's the same thing with trading, bro. One more trade, I can make back my loss. Or, oh man, let me just drag my TP way out of my target that's like completely unrealistic. And then it's like, man, you would have got your first target, but then it pulls back.
Yeah.
It's greed.
Yeah, let's see if we can get a top wick here.
Trading teaches you a lot.
Nah, it does. Think that gambling, man.
Yeah, man. Some people, bro. I feel like that's why trading can be difficult for a lot of people, right? Because they almost treat it like it, you know, and this is like everyone says this, but like, do you actually look at it like gambling? Like some of you guys? Or like, I guess like, do you have that same, you share the same mindset as like a gambler would? I guess is the better way to put it. Because it's like, bro, I hear all the same things when I go to the casino that I hear like the Quakers in the chat talking about. Like, oh man, only if I would have played this hand, or if I would have taken this trade.
Woulda, coulda.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's all the same stuff.
Yo, facts.
Yep.
Sugar Bear's back. I ain't playing with him today. Gone. 24-hour ban in broad daylight.
Sugar Bear, you're back, eh?
Not for long.
Sugar
Sugar
Bear.
Bear is back. He can't resist.
I banned him.
He's trying to use us, see if he can get a trade out of us or get some wisdom or knowledge
You're
out
too
of
late, bro.
us. I see you, bro. I respect your hustle. We love you, bro.
Yo,
We love you.
AB Mike, bro, I'm feeling extra grateful today, bro. I wrote that down in my gratitude today. Grateful for my skill to trade, and grateful for trading. Let's go.
Yes, sir. I'm grateful for Sugar Bear.
Sugar Bear, I love you.
Hey, Sugar Bear, I'm hoping that honestly that life just gives you the best it has to offer, man. Yeah. Hope you have a great life. Not today, Sugar Bear. Bears in the chat for Sugar Bear, eh? Let's throw some bears in the chat for Sugar Bear today. Showing up, putting in that work, putting in that Quaker work. Oh, man. W, Sugar Bear.
Sugar
We
Bear.
appreciate you, man. All right, let's see if we can get a top wick, man, on this candle. Yeah, I can see Sugar Bear right now. He's like, "Ooh, look at them! Let me post this on my IG. Look at bears in the chat for me, for me."
Hell no.
You
Hell
feel
no.
you feel special right now, don't you? That's what we want to do. We want to help you feel special, brother. For me. All right, yeah. Anyway,
Hold back.
prices, yeah, we need a pullback here, man. So we're gonna wait for a 4-hour top wick, and then we'll see. We got clean range to the left-hand side. So if we can get ourselves a top wick and then re-break the lows come like 9:30-ish, then I think we're chilling. Hi, Professor Nick. How are you doing? You look beautiful with the nice background. Hey, what a compliment. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you, Muhammad. Wow. Look at him sitting in his chair with his helmet on. Oh, man. 1,000 likes for Sugar Bear here today. If we get 1,000 likes, we'll give Sugar Bear a 50K challenge account.
Yo, that closed below for you, Nick?
No one liked
That
the
closed
stream.
right
All
on
right,
my
just
sport.
kidding. If we get 1,000 likes, then someone else is getting a 50K evaluation account. Damn, no one liked it for Sugar Bear. Sheesh. All right, at least they threw bears in the chat. Yeah, closed right at that level there, but actually a little bit above it. Yeah. 4-hour not letting up. Thousand likes for the giveaway. Yeah. Clean traffic still? Yes, there is clean traffic still here. But just no top wick on this 4-hour candle yet. So I want to see if we can get that, or If we can get some sort of at least some pull. Look at this. Ever since the news, so we need something here. We need some structure. Dollar's going up. Yep. Yeah. Dollar juicing. Juice box here. No bottom wick on the dollar either.
Patience. Patience.
Dude's it. My 15 seconds of fame ain't over yet, Mo. What do you want me to do? I'm riding the wave.
How you done?
He said, I still got the best how you doing in the game. Oh man. I do that to Alea Maverick now. I say, nobody move, nobody get clipped. They start laughing. All right. 15-minute candle is gonna close in 5 minutes here. 5 minutes. Oh,
5 on it.
GJ
Damn, Nas is
looking
bleeder,
good.
bro.
Yeah, Nas bleeding. Gonna wait on gold here.
Oh, GJ, bro, I'm telling you, every time I look at it, it's going up.
Right. GJ ain't over. It ain't done.
Don't bring back Brexit, and I'm in that like swimmer, bro.
All right, we're breaking through that wick now. You see that? Clean traffic territory now that we got through there. Damn. You may see a push. No bottom wicks here, or no top wicks here. Give me 1 sec.
Chad, this could drive however long it wants, however far it wants. We have no idea how long or how far that would be. And we need to be patient.
Patience pays. This thing could go to 1950 without a top wick. I ain't getting it.
Exactly.
Let's go. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, how far really is that? I think at this point, over the next couple days, we could say 1980.
So, going back to the 1900s, baby.
Yeah, I wish I could go back and live in the 80s, bro. I feel
Nice,
like that
bro.
was prime. What do you call it? Like just
Prime time for
US. Yeah,
America?
for the US. Yep. Nah, no internet, bro. Yeah, that's good, bro. I don't need internet. Yo,
Yeah,
I was
like,
thinking about this too. Go ahead. Sorry.
Not my fault, bro. You got it.
Oh no, I was just gonna say, man, I really feel like as someone who kind of grew up with like before the social media and like after it, man, I really honestly think that social media would not be as toxic as it is if it weren't on the phones, right?
Mhm.
Because like, but you have to remember a time of when you could only get on Facebook and MySpace from the computer and that, bro. Because then it's like not toxic. You literally just get on there, you would post some like whatever, like yo, like just like what up, boys, and then you just like hop off, and then you go about your
Done.
life. Like you don't even look at it till like the next day or whatever. Like you forget about it. Honestly.
Facts. Bro, that's facts. That's a mega point, bro. Because you got the phone, you're able to hold that all day, every
Yeah,
day.
exactly.
Go with
People are
that
walking
everywhere.
around,
Yeah.
literally staring at it all day. Don't even look up.
Nah, I agree, bro. I agree. Crazy.
Yeah,
Yo,
bring it
don't
back
let
to
the
just
phone.
computers, bro.
Yeah, Chad, don't let these phones make your life toxic. If you think it is, make a phone box or something. Like, turn it off, put it away. You know, like you can control these things, right? So
Yeah, the good old days, man. The AIM. Who remembers that? AOL Instant Messenger. Yeah, those
The
days.
AIM.
You hear
got
someone
mail.
coming, it's like, the door opens. When they sign off, the door shuts and it shows their name. Man, that was so cool.
Really? Yeah, I've never used
Yeah,
that.
man, that was fire.
me
I
and
wish it
Sam
was still like
on
that. I really do. That was that you like you said. That was a lot better. You come and you have to actually be home to do that.
Yeah,
You've got mail. Yeah.
Man, what do I use all the time?
and
Kick.
it's
I
always
was
better.
a big Kick dude. John, you remember Kick?
Nah,
No.
nah.
What?
Kick,
Yo.
kick. It sounds familiar.
It's just KIK.
Yeah, it sounds familiar. I don't know though. I'm
Kick,
not familiar.
Kick, Skype, TeamSpeak 3, bro. Yeah, bro.
Damn.
Those are all crazy. Kick was legendary. Yeah, grind time move fast enough, bro.
Kick, man.
Bro,
Yeah,
I
you
had
got
like
mail.
dudes in high school pretending to be me and like make accounts saying they're me and start messaging people to mess them, bro. It's like some of the
Dudes are getting
funniest stuff
catfished
ever,
out there,
bro.
man. Back in high school,
Yeah, bro.
damn. Yo, what's up, man? It's Jerome. Meanwhile, it's like your girlfriend Ashley. Hey, man, what you doing tonight?
That's so funny.
Yo,
Yeah.
AIM was beast, man. I remember they had at one point they would give you these like rap or any song. You could pick a song, like a little verse from a song, and you put that on like your I think it was when you message somebody, you would play that song. You'd be like hot in. Like, well, oh, Nick's online. Start knowing whose songs who. You had a buddy list,
funny.
man. That was dope.
Y'all remember Uvu? Yo.
Oh yeah,
Yo. Uvu. They just got rid of the other one like not too long ago. I remember I was
Skype?
talking about it on stream. Nah, what was it called, bro? Omegle.
Which one?
Oh, Meagle.
Yeah,
Oh, I don't remember.
I
I don't
remember
think
that.
I used that one.
Yeah. Now it's like Monkey or something is what they use, bro. Something like that. I don't remember what it's called.
Yeah, it's called Monkey. I remember that.
I've never used that one. Yeah, bro. I used to be I love getting on Omegle, dude.
Yeah, if we could do a 15 pack run or give this 4-hour top wick here real quick, then there may be a potential entry here. Yeah, I want to see, let's break the high there. If we break that high, it'll be good to go.
Remember planning on a school bus who's getting on bro, like I remember like back even before like I had like a real phone, like I would meet up with dudes at the pool. Pause, this sounds weird. But and then
Meet up with the boys,
like bro, I'd be like writing them, I'd be like, yo, lifeguard, you got a piece of paper, bro? Like just so I could write the IP address for the Minecraft server down for my homie to join on when he gets home. Bro, and then we hog the home phone, sitting there for like 4 hours, bro, sitting on the house phone.
Yeah.
Someone trying to call. My mom, dad be like, bro, get off the phone, bro. I'm like, yo.
Bro, that's too funny, man.
Good old days, bro.
Oh yeah. All right, we did it. We did it. So we did make a top wick there on that candle. 4 hour now is a top wick. 1 hour now is a top wick. And we should be good to go, like Sam said, around 9:30 here. We're gonna see where this top wick is formed at, and then I'm gonna have potential sell stops here.
Yeah, because now if you re-break that low, gone. It's
Yeah,
all
chat.
clean on
Sell
the left.
stops for me. sellies. Looks good.
Goldbuster's call comes in, boom, internet gone. That dial-up
Oh
connection.
yeah, that was crazy.
Bro, I'll never forget like the first time I like seen like a cell phone too, bro. I think it was like a BlackBerry or something. Like one of the ones you slide out with the keyboard.
Oh
Bro,
yeah,
coolest
yeah,
thing
yeah.
ever at the time.
Yeah, the Blackberries, man, those were sick.
Back in the day, yeah, bro, that was what's up. Yeah, I wish that they still had
Yeah,
the old flip phones. I had one of those once.
I remember my grandma and her flip.
Yeah, bro,
My grandma.
make her mad, she slams
My
it on.
grandma.
Boom.
For right, Nick? You remember
Yeah,
grandma's
TK,
flip
bro.
Oh yeah. I had a flip
TK
phone.
got slapped
remember
like
my
a
flip phone.
clamshell.
phone?
Yeah, we should have more volume coming in here now. You got 9:15 here, and then we have 9:30 coming up next. So if we begin to break that 4-hour low again now after creating that top wick, then we should be good to drive here. Yeah. You got a massive move down too. Let's go ahead and look left here on the 30.
Yo, TK, what was your first phone?
Mine was a Nokia.
Yep, same.
Mine was a
Nokia.
bro, what do you call them things, bro? Like the prepaid ones? It had minutes on it and shit, bro.
They all did. The Nokias, all of them did.
Really?
Yeah, they all
I
had
don't
minutes.
know what
You
the
would buy
brand of
minutes.
mine was, bro. The broke phone.
The bro.
TK.
Which brand? Yeah.
Yeah, I love this little conversation. This is funny.
Excuse me.
Then you got robbed? No way, bro. Someone stole your big brick Nokia phone?
Damn.
They ran
Brick,
off.
brick.
Ran off with the brick.
Had a razor flip. All right, price moving down. See if we can get activated. We're using this current 4-hour high here, so we've got current candle stops. That's the best we can do at this point. There's really no other place to really put stops. But if we break the low after doing the 15 Pacquiao here, then we should be good to continue this move down. Yeah, daily broke through that low too. So if you re-break it, you should see a nice move here. Yeah, free text. Yeah, free text and free bleeps. You guys remember bleeps?
The bleeps? Like, you mean like to censor someone, or?
Yeah, no, the Nextels. The Nextels. The Nextels, in my opinion, the Nextels were the best. Yeah, it had them ringtones and all that, man. I-730, I-95. That was the black and blue one, right? The I-95. That was one of my favorites.
Yo, I've never used that one.
Singular AT&T. I-730. That was gray. I believe that was gray. I-730. That was like gray and black or gray and blue, right? Yeah, the gray one. Yeah, these were the truth, man. Dang. Sheesh.
Beeper and a payphone.
Yeah, this one was lit
All you
too.
needed.
I remember when this one came out. I-95. Yeah, this was the yeah, this one had the. Then they started coming out with the screens. Look, they're selling a cracked one for $250. That's insane. Yeah, I remember this one. This one was pretty dope. This was the the original right here. One of the originals.
Play a calculator.
Yeah. Yup.
Like a calculator, yeah, bro. Like that Texas TI 82 or around.
Yeah.
When will CPI news come out? It already came out. It already came out. Blue and gray, yeah. That was the jump. Yeah, that one was fire, man. It does look funny now. It does. Yeah, the good old Blackberries, man. Those came out. Those were like, that was like one of the first introductions of us kind of having like a bigger screen and typing and all that stuff. Who remembers the you would have to hit like seven like 3 times to get to like certain letters. Remember that?
Yo,
When
yeah,
you're
you had to push
texting?
it 4 times just to get to the. Because it's 4 letters on one key, bro. Yes, I remember that.
Bros had it on lock, dude. It was without
goodness.
even looking. Without even looking at one point.
That was a skill you had to build.
Yo, that was skill, bro. Yeah, the BBM, man, the BlackBerry. Damn. Where's my
Then
stop?
the
My stops are gonna
predictive
sit above the
statement.
4-hour highs here, so above the high. Yeah, we already kind of made the pack. I like that we made the 4-hour high with that pack runner too. So that's where I'm gonna have my stop sitting. There's really no other option. All right, that's the most logical stop at this point. So we'll keep it at that point. Yeah. Stops are pretty big. They are pretty big. It's either that or we use the next 30-minute top wick, which we might do. Yeah, because then you got a celery play at that point. Yeah, we may wait for that actually. I think that's gonna be the best trade here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wait for that celery play to come out. At 9:30. Yeah, that's gonna be the better trade. So we'll keep an eye on this 15. And we may have a much better stop loss and maybe even a better entry on the break of the 15 low there. So yeah, let's do that. Or you guys can keep them, but that's what I'm gonna do. It may be a quick too. We may not get much of a top wick here. You know, if we don't get much of a top wick, that's fine. We got a celery play in front of us. We got 2 minutes for this candle to close. Yeah, if we get that, then it's pretty much same trade idea. Yeah, what's this entry? Yeah, nah, I think I'll keep the same entry, but stops may be a little bit different. Yeah, because I think right there we had, what, 60 pip stops? Yeah. Yeah, if we can close just like this, we could have same entry, only current candle stops. Probably going to be like 25, 30 pips, if that. Two, two. $50 seconds. 50 seconds. Everyone's quiet. Where'd you guys go?
They answered a question. Someone I said, I usually don't trade news. Seeing it unfold like that makes me elated. I'm not sure what that means. I just was like, trust me, nah, you feel.
All right, yeah, I
but
got sell stops. Doom, doom, doom. Yeah, looks good. 15-minute celery play. Everything looks good. If we re-break, gotta re-break that low. All right, can we get activated? I think we are. Did we get activated yet? Almost. Almost. We broke the low, so if we break it, it should be good to go. All right, cool. All right, I have been activated here, chat. So got into these sells. 930 celery play. Stops are going to be kept above this high here. Oh, let me grab this. Stops are going to be kept above here, back up towards this high. TP is going to be down here, and then TP is going to be right around like 15 pips. So yeah, gonna close partials right here and move stops to BE, and let's see if we get the rest to run. Yeah, I think I got 10 there. Yep.
See if we can get a bleed. I'll sing the song for it, bro.
Love it.
Later.
Max win. Max
Lovely.
win. Baby.
There
Max
she goes.
Win.
Yeah, I think we have partials sitting. There was a one little support right. Yeah, this guy right here. And the rest should be good. The rest should be good to drive. Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff.
W.
Nice trade.
Yeah.
You got more
Lovely.
volume in your gold. Max win, baby.
Yeah, we should
Max
continue
win.
pushing down. At least, I would say at least like 40 pips here towards that other level that we had marked off earlier. Hold on. Yeah, right down in here. Can we get there? If we get there, I will close another set of partials here. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, there it goes.
Max win, baby.
Yeah, 30 pips. Gonna clip probably another half of the position here at 38 pips. And that's the trade. So there we go. Beautiful.
Good trade.
Back on the horse. Back on the horse. Dun, dun.
W's, yeah, W's in the chat.
I'm not trying to quake boss. I'm just giving respectful criticism. I hate seeing someone fail this hard. What are you talking about, bro? We took 6 losses. I don't trade your strategy anymore. You don't win, dude. We just took a win. Same thing. Hey, same trade right here. We lost on this same trade. Nothing different. We did 0 things different. Right? We all know that we don't need a top wick. Everyone I coach knows we don't need a crazy top wick on a celery play. And we have 930. We have green numbers. So that's where we expected to see the drive to, right there. And that's where we've tapped. So if we can come back down now and re-break the low, we should continue driving even further down. Yeah.
W's.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah, W's. Beautiful.
I'm about to. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm about to go hit the gym though, boys.
Do
So,
it, brother.
I'll talk to you boys a little
take
bit
it
later,
easy,
right?
bro. Yeah, hit
Alright,
get a
bet.
crazy pump for me, bro.
Enjoy.
Sir, I
it.
am, bro. I am. That's for sure.
Oh, yeah,
Peace out, chat.
Later,
Take it
G.
easy, bro.
Peace, boys. Have a good day.
Peace.
Yo, Sam, man, I was just thinking the same thing. I was actually gonna say that.
What up, Ali Reza? What's good? What's good?
Ali Reyes.
Ali Reza. Yeah, so that top wick right there, that 15 pack was key, right? This is price action. Understanding price action is we did not have a top wick on that 4 hour, right? So we didn't budge on this move down. It wasn't gonna bother us. Even if price continued driving, it wasn't gonna bother us at all, right? Because that's not what we look for. So now that the 4 hour did get the top wick, it also aligned up perfectly with the 15-minute pack runner. Sell stops are kept on the break of the lows because regardless, like I said, you may not get a top wick here, right? Really, really green numbers, really good numbers on the dollar. This is not the bottom, right? Gold, if you think this is the bottom, you clearly have not traded gold long enough because this can continue driving now, especially on a day like today with CPI. So you had a target down there, which is where we closed that second set of partials. And that was the move, that was the move. I think we will continue down, but you had your initial push there on the 30-minute time frame, which is all we were looking for. And that's all we needed to get the job done.
Yeah, that's true. Those are the best trades, really, chat. Like, where it just goes straight into profit. Think about how much you could have made or you did make today within like a couple minutes, right? 9:30 was 5 minutes ago.
Yeah. Yep. You just know, right, that you're looking for that one push down, right? That one push down there at 9:30. You want to close your partials, and then if you got runners, right? But what we're looking for is that initial push on the break of those lows. So that's what we got. That's what we took today, and yeah, that's what we've been doing. So didn't change anything up here, right? Just same trade, different day, and this time, we end up taking a W. So good job, chat.
W's. Yeah, like Z Gamer said, 30 pips in 30 seconds. Like a lot of the other sessions, like you're gonna have to wait a little while to get that.
Yeah.
Especially like if you're trading other pairs too, like Euro USD or like GBPUSD. Like 30 pips, that's like a whole 4 hour candle, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. The one thing too about you guys, I teach this a lot in the private stuff, but we talk about it anyway. The celery play is the only play you don't necessarily need a top wick for, right? And we've been saying this for a long, long time. And again, the circumstances also play a role in that. And today's circumstance was, obviously gold was going to continue driving. The streak is over. Yeah. Nice W on the board, chat. So look, we're not trying to come back. We're not trying to get 6 wins in a row now. We're not trying to get 6 trades off today. We just take it one day at a time, one trade at a time. Tomorrow we come back, we look for the next best setup. And that's how the game goes.
Every day. It's true.
That's why you don't see me celebrate right now, right? And then when I take losses, you don't see me quake, because it's just another day of conducting business.
Yeah, I think we're honestly more like, well, with the CPI analysis, I get excited when that plays out. That's really it though. Because I mean, like, if this is your job, right? For like you guys in the chat, like, you know, you don't go to your job and you start quaking.
Yeah.
Like, you know, if things don't go right or wrong or whatever. Or it's just simple.
You will have, well, a lot of you guys don't do this publicly, right? But you will have a lot of noise, right? And I remember when Don went through this. I remember when Raja went through this, and it was pretty cool to. It's pretty cool to get the same feedback, because I see the pace that we're on and the track that we're on. But you'll have so many people, you don't understand this, and your strategy don't work, and you know you're off for this or that. Like, so much noise that will come in, but. Like we were saying earlier, you have to, being composed and is a skill in itself, you know, and just being willing to stay diligent on your path is all you can do. You can't listen to people talking about do this and do that, right? Because you don't change your strategy in a day. Like, hey, change your strategy, you know, like, yeah, that doesn't happen in a day. That happens over time, right? And you know, you can't just base everything off just what's right in front of you. So yeah. He took partials at 10 pips. Yep. Yeah, 10 pips. 10 pips. We took partials, and then we took our second set at 30. I think it was 32 pips. Yeah.
Dump it.
Kelsey at work. Yo, I did see that. I was like, damn, Kelsey? What's up with you, bro? What GJ do? Nothing really after that closure. And Nas back up. What time is it? 9:40? Yeah, so you got a 1 hour close coming up here in about 20 minutes or so. But we'll see what we're doing. We see how we blew past that daily. The weekly's really on the run here. It's not even the daily. It's nothing can really stop this weekly candle right now.
Yeah, I even like the monthly. Monthly looks beautiful.
Yeah, monthly filled the wick, broke the lows there. Right, that was also our right near our entry too, is the break of those lows. We had already broken the lows there, so you're most likely going to see a push. And on the monthly candle, you may see a bigger push, right? It's going to be a quick one, but a monthly candle will give you, like I think Z Gamer said it, 30 pips, right? That's like a quick little push on the monthly after it really re-breaks the lows there. So that's our little 30-minute bag right there. All right, that's it. Do I have faster internet? I might have faster internet here. Yeah. Yeah. I might have faster internet. Yeah, back to these Nextels, man. Damn. I'm gonna have to look up some Blackberries.
I was thinking about that again. That's funny.
Blackberry.
TK, you watching the stream in 1440? I need a better monitor for that, though.
Blackberry, they should be Blackberry. That's hilarious. Blackberry fruit? Nah, bro. Blackberry phone. Yeah, man. These right here. These joints. This one was dope. Oh, you know what I was thinking of too? The sidekick. Remember the sidekick? Where it flipped up?
I've seen it. Yeah, bro, that first BlackBerry on there we were just looking at.
Oh, everyone had this guy right
almost identical to that one I had. Bro. Yeah, dude, that one.
120
that
bucks to buy
actually
that
might
right
be
now.
the
That's
identical one.
Yeah, no, they were
BlackBerry
pretty cool
Porsche.
too. They were pretty good. They were making improvements on it, but then Apple came and just gone.
Gone. Yeah.
Hey Nick, I had so much noise in my mind these past few days. Thanks for all the good words about discipline. Yeah, man, my pleasure. Getting here is to win. Focus on the playbook. Yep. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. I was never that cool. Damn. You're cooler than that. You're cooler than cool. Yeah, so closed, hold on, did I get hit at B here? Oh yeah, I got tapped at B. So yeah, so closed partials at 10, closed another partials at like 32 or something, and now we're trying to get back down there now, so. Yeah, so good trade. Good trade. Any guys still in this?
I got mine.
You're out? You're gone?
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice.
Yes, sir.
And we weren't gonna take that trade unless we had that 4-hour top wick, right? That was
Right,
the
yeah.
main ingredient there, right? Price wanted to go down so bad, but it just had to make that top wick, right? We attempted this move down, and then this pack runner kind of planted the seed there that okay, we close week bearish, you're good to go. I didn't want to enter on the break of the previous candle because we didn't have any top wick on this candle, so the re-break of that low was the entry point. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see if we can break that low again, but Hanko not letting me close? Oh man, hopefully this thing bleeds then.
Yep, that's why I quit using them, bro.
Yeah, Sam was using them for a while, but no bueno anymore.
I don't know what it was like August, September last year. It just started going. I know exactly what you mean, bro. So like for example, like say he's in a trade right now and he clicks the X to get out, it just starts going pending.
Sheesh.
Yeah, it's scary, bro. Because it's like you don't know when it's gonna close, and it's usually it takes like a minute or two. So like anything could happen within that next minute or two. Yeah,
Yep.
I can't do that.
Yeah,
I
that's
cannot
crazy.
trade like that. That's like that binary options, bro. Like last second,
Nah.
bonk, switches up on you.
Yo, that was my introduction to trading, bro. Binary
Man,
options.
I've never done
dude.
it. I've only ever heard you talk about it.
I was
Yeah,
trading
bro.
1 minute trades, dude. It's basically on a timer. And if you take a buy, you have to remain above your entry point in that 1 minute. If you take a sell, you have to remain below it. And I'm telling you, bro, this thing be spiking, dude.
That's so funny,
Spiking.
bro.
You'd be like, yes,
Ooh, Rob trades. Who do you use on
500.
TFT?
$500 in 1 minute. Boom, lost. What?
Yeah, bro. That's the only thing with that. With that strategy, you gotta wait till the candle closes to get out. That's funny.
Yeah, if we get 1,000 likes, we'll do the 50K giveaway. Yeah, if you want to get a giveaway here today, spam some W's in chat. If you took that trade, spam some W's in chat. We got on base here today, chat. We got on base. We cracked the slump a bit, and now you can all take a breather, and we can get back to business.
Yes, sir. W's.
W's in the chat. 50K giveaway potentially here, man. Yeah.
Who's getting a 50K challenge? Let's see. Say me if you're gonna win. If you
Bing, 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 bing.
Oh yeah, bink.
All right, chat. Way to get out the slump. Ah.
Josh.
24 win streak. Yeah, we're gonna guess what we're gonna do tomorrow, chat. We're gonna come here. We're gonna do a top-down analysis. We're gonna mark our ranges off, and we're gonna wait for the next best setup that applies to our playbook. That's all we're gonna continue to do. Good trade, but how does it play into RR? Stops were about 36 pips, so I think this was about 36 pips too. I closed partials at 10 though. Yeah, and then another at like 33. So yeah, I don't trade RR as much as some traders do. I think it's important, but I don't need it. Especially when you're coming off of a losing streak, you want to get some green on the board, right? You want that to help your psychology a little bit, knowing, hey, I ended the day green here today. You know, it's a good feeling. Trading is not about the money, right? Trading is about, in a way, that feeling that you're gonna walk away with the rest of the day with, right? So for me, coming off a six loss streak, having a W under my belt today and living my day with that feeling is much more important than an RR or a percentage here today. And I'm just keeping it real, right? I'm just keeping it so real with you guys, as I always do. So that's a bigger W for me than, you know, holding for X amount of pips or whatever the case is.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, nice. Made over 2K. Nice, Sam. We got another Sam in the chat.
Hey. He's a real one.
He's a real one. Yeah, you just want to end the day green here today, right? If you're in a bit of a slump, you just want to look at we called a beautiful trade, and now you just want to end the day green. Go ahead, live about your day with that, and come back tomorrow. And don't be stingy with the likes. Yeah, we're trying to give y'all a 50K account here today.
Like it up.
Typical spread on gold is it's about 1 or 2 pips. Been trying to close since 8 a.m. Damn.
No way. On Hanko.
Sheesh.
Yeah, bro. You gonna need to get up out of there.
Yeah, time to close your
Might as well
accounts
just let
with
the
Hanko.
position run, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree, Brian. I really do wish I had runners here. You know, it's not like I don't wish. I wish I had runners, but I think we got tapped there on the 5. Yeah, that 5 came up and tapped me out. Yeah, that 5 just nipped us out. But our stops were kind of we were banking on volume there. So, you know, stops could have got hit too. Plus, this candle could have came up to create a top wick. So you never know. So that's why I went break even when I closed at 10 and then just let the rest go.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like I managed my trade like almost identical.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I think it was like I closed like 75% at like right when you did as well.
Yeah. For those that are still in the
First time.
trade, I think you're golden, man, down towards like 92 here. So I think the next set of partials, I'll leave it up for anybody that is still in this, but I think next set of partials for me, if I was still in here and survive BE, would be right around 92. Yeah, right around 92. We should get down there on the next push. It may take the new hourly candle. We do have 8 minutes left here, so you may see that push happen. But yeah, that's probably where I would snag another set of partials. Or if you guys haven't closed anything just yet, snag some partials down there. Do like partials, like TP2.
Yeah, where you know shit.
You know, Let's do 1976. I like your honesty, bro. I actually feel we also distract you sometimes from concentrating on your own trades. Got you, man. No problem, bro. It's an honor to be here. Seriously.
Bro, someone in the Discord literally posted a picture of a wheel they spun. It says CPI bullish or bearish. And then, I don't know what they did after that, but
Understand your psychology is slightly touched because you closed partials at 10. No, it's not. My psychology just took a boost, bro. Like I was saying before, like I just needed to get a win here today. That's it. That was my only goal here today. 10 pips, take a win, close the second half at 30 pips or whatever, and I'm golden, man. Trust me, my psychology isn't slightly touched, it's slightly increased because I just needed to get a end the day green here. That was it.
yeah.
That was
That's
it.
so
I
true.
am golden. I am golden. Yeah.
Even if you're on a win streak, loss streak, you know, just getting those small base hits really is the key thing. You know, you can't hit like bang or home runs every single day, but the market's not even gonna allow you to do that.
Yeah, I got to where I am too by taking base hits. Every now and then you get a nice double, triple home run, but base hits pretty much win ball games. And I've had that written on my desk for 3 years now, and that has really helped me out. It's the opposite of Miami traders. We do things different up here in Tampa.
TK Magic 8 Ball, yo.
Yeah, it's like not Buzz Lightyear, Toy Story. I was watching Toy Story the other day. Dude had that little 8 ball. He's like, is this guy gonna take me out or is he gonna take Buzz? No, he's not gonna take you out, bro. Dude tried murking Buzz after that, bro.
Yeah, what's
Man.
wrong? Magic 8 Ball, should I should I full margin? It's gonna say yes every time.
Yeah. Just get the one that says yes.
Do they make those? That'd be so funny, bro. Magic 8 Ball only says yes.
Should I full margin here today? Yes. All right. Perfect. Perfect.
I'm gonna look that up.
Yeah. I think that that'll do it. Yeah, that was the trade. So it looks like we did get down towards that support there. Let's mark this off real quick so I can show you where we're tapping into now. So we are beginning to tap into all this support here to the left, right? This level here. So this is where you could potentially get some sort of a pullback. You may go deeper down towards like 86 here, but you may struggle a bit at 92. Yeah, like 92 flat here. So if you're in, close some partials. Close some partials, take your bag here today. I think it's 150 pips up. So everyone was saying, you know, this is the bottom of the range, you know, but price can still drive 100, 150, 200, 250 pips. We're talking about gold here, you know, we're talking about gold. So yeah, W trade.
Yeah,
and
W.
on to the next.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna be it here for us today, chat.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say too.
What time is it? 10? Yeah.
About 10 o'clock. Yeah, that was the move. 9:30. Or
Yeah, 9:30 was the play.
anything before that.
This one was good too. This was 8:45. This was right after the news. So this was a move that could have been taken 8:45, and then the next one was 9:30 there.
Yeah, W.
I'm in loss. That's cool. Don't update the record. I'm gonna update it now. No giveaway today. Well, yeah. If we have 1,000 likes, let's take a look. Let me go to my channel. Let me open up the YouTube, and let's see if we have 1,000 likes on the stream. We have 1,000 watching, But no, we have only 696 likes. Yeah. 698. 698. 709. 709. Do I see 750? Do I see 750 here? Can we get closer to 1,000? 750 for a $50,000 evaluation account giveaway. I want to give it today too. We took a nice little win here. It would be nice to give it away. Yeah. Do I see 750? I don't see. I see 739. I don't see 750. Time to party. What do we got going on tomorrow? I know we've got news now cruising into the week here. Tomorrow's light.
Yeah, like for whatever reason we don't have
much
PPI
on Wednesday.
Right after. It's waiting for Thursday.
Yeah, or Friday it is, right? Yeah, Friday this week.
For PPI, really?
Yeah, typically that's on Wednesday, the day after.
What?
So that's weird. That's weird. What do we got? 760? Can we see 800? 800, and then we're only 200 away, man. Wow. We'll be getting closer, closer.
Yeah, what do we got tonight? GBPJPY, CPI. Hey. What are they looking at? Green numbers.
Green numbers, so yeah, we'll see if gold wants to continue down. You guys know we like a good bleeder. I wish the likes worked like TikTok. Hey, you can give multiple likes on TikTok? I was unaware.
I don't know how it works. I don't know how that works.
If we get to 800 like pretty quickly, I'll stick around to see if we can make it to 1,000 so we can do it. Hey, babe, we cracked the losing streak. Hallelujah. High five.
W. Rolex, I answered you, bro.
Roll it out.
I answered you. Scroll up in the chat.
That's good.
I'll say it out loud, though. The stop loss was just the current 4-hour candles high, right? Because if it was going to go up and re-break its own high, then it's going to make a push back up into a range and then just wait from there. All right.
All right, are we at 800? 777. 777. '11th. Let's go. 11th hour's wife is waiting for him. I don't have 200K. We're moving slow. We're moving, but we're moving slow. Time to like. TTL. I sent my email about the reel. Did you guys review it? Yes, I think we did review yours. Yeah, we have a few more that we have to look at. So we're going to be doing that all throughout the week. And then we'll let you guys know. We're just going to email whoever is we're going to choose. Could you explain the celery play? Yes. So the celery play is kind of like what we took right here. So it can look all different ways. Like it's, we draw it out. We draw a perfect picture of it, which is like, let's say in this case, in a bearish situation, right? Let's say you have a range, right? So you have a range, boom, and you close below that range, right? Bearish. And then the next candle closes weak bullish or weak bearish. Like this is like the ideal way. We kind of like it bullish because that a lot of times works really well because it makes people get into buys, right? So that's it, the break of the lows. So regardless of whether or not this next candle has a top wick, in most cases, and this is how I always draw it out with no top wick, right? This is typically your celery play. You may have like a little top wick. And in my experience, it is even good to leave your stops above this high right here. Right there. You can keep your stops there because if it breaks that low and then re-breaks the high, it'll most likely move up. And here's when you go deeper, right? So a lot of times when that happens, what you will typically see is very little to no bottom wick on this candle here. See that candle? So anytime that the celery play doesn't work out, which isn't too often, you will see this candle have almost no bottom wick. That's one thing I picked up as I examined the celery play to see, hey, we win it 9 out of 10 times. What about that 10th? What about that one time we lose it? And a lot of times there's no bottom wick here. So that's one thing I would be aware about is when you are looking at this position, keep an eye on this candle, right? The steeper the wick, the better, because that's your target, right? That becomes your price is going to beeline to fill that wick. So the steeper that wick, the better. In today's case, it wasn't too steep, but it was still there, right? It was like, I think, yeah, like 15 pips. So that's good enough, especially on a day like today. Yeah. Yeah, and this candle here can be, oh, my bad, Sam. This could be bullish or bearish. What were we going to say?
I was just going to say, man, yeah, even with that, if you didn't get entered in on that first trade, or the first entry too, for that, because it broke the lows.
Yeah, it did.
And then it broke it again, and then boom, that right there was like, the knife in the, I don't know what the phrase is, knife in the casket, whatever they say.
The knife in the coffin.
In the coffin.
Yeah. Yeah, like right here, this candle here could be bearish as well. Like it could just be a weak bear, just kind of like today. You see how today was a very weak bearish candle, and you will gain. So you will listen to this, but then you will begin to gain experience on this through your time in the market, right? Like today's candle looked like this. So it may seem like, you know, it was a little off, but a lot of trading also has to do with experience and intuition as well. Just seeing the same things happen over and over again. So yeah. Yeah, that's the celery.
That might do it for me though.
All right, man. Yeah, I don't think
I'm gonna hop out of here.
I don't think we're good. Green light on the account. I don't think I see 1,000.
I don't even see 800 yet.
Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, chat. Now, tomorrow's another day, I guess. I mean, I want it. I got it right here for someone, but damn, you guys making it hard for me.
It's nice. Can't believe no one wants it.
Seriously. I mean, there's a lot of people that want it, but you know, it's a team effort.
Yeah. It's a team effort. W day though. Yeah, W
Cool.
everyone who got that win in the chat. W.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, many
Thanks
more
for
to
stopping
come.
by.
Yeah, of course, bro. Thanks for having me.
Yes, sir.
And,
we'll do it all over
yeah,
again tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Bright and early. Alright, yeah, I'll talk to you, Nick.
All right, brother. Have a great
Peace
day.
out,
All right.
chat.
See you
Peace
later.
out, Zoom. Yeah, you too, bro. Take it easy.
Later, Gator. Yeah, chat. I don't think we're gonna do this here today. Yeah, not even 800 likes. It's been 6 minutes. So tomorrow's another day. Maybe we'll get it in tomorrow. But yeah, W day, chat. Great work. Way to come up a winner here today, and we get to come back and do it all over again tomorrow. So W is on the way out here. If you took that trade, give the stream a like, sub to the channel on your way out, and we get to do it all over again tomorrow. So we'll see you guys same time, same place. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a